All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe. If you are new, please subscribe, and like the video. We are here again. Let me know who is watching. Please drop your comments. The first person that made a comment is who? We are just starting, and we're not going to waste much time. If that's Ike, you are the one. I see you one in Madolewe. Amadi Chigoze, greetings to you. Amadi Chigoze, I see you. Amadi Chigoze. Okay, so we are going to start properly. Yes, I am back. I'm back. Our own Daniel, I see you. Daniel is here. So Allah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, without wasting much time, because this is late, to be honest. I don't want to start late hour properly. I just want to start before late hour, before 12 a.m. Biafra time. We are here to go through a video of YC pineapples. Oh God, I beg. You know, this woman. Now, anyway, let me not say anything. Just pay attention. Yeah, let's start.
Ekele m unu. Ọkwa nnukwu nwada unu. Lọlọ Nneka Chimezie na-ekwu. Abịakwala m ọzọ. Ihe m bịa ka m bịa mee address certain things. Jelova.
Okay.
Welcome. Thanks for joining me. Please share. Let others join us.
Why is
it? Welcome. Thanks for joining. Please share and send gifts.
No.
Ono manokwa aka Madam aka Nwayi Punk. No fukwana the punk ka na-ebechakwari. Because Facebook, don't do this your poor network now. The punk can ebe. And because send them a gift. The TikTok. Send me gift. Elanda na pom na phone na sina ha chori send them inye mego. On na chonyo no na set up. On enye
Obu mane kuke woro mapoya so.
Mego na etumo he like this. I was there now when I told you what I can number. Any of you send that I make. I am a tear game.
Hey God. I put it.
I am a tire game.
Complete this punk. Daniel. One why about
oh number. I'm na ndị 100 men. Unu agba na akpọkọsị ndị Yoruba ka ha bịa na my life. Ọ dị ka unu enweghị enough members that will fight me. Because ahụrụ m nwa be Sowore na nwụsa aha ya Ugochi, onye nke unu kwụrụ ụgwọ. Ịma na unu na-emezi Sowore campaign. Ọ na-agara na-akpọtasị ndị Yoruba ka ha nyere unu aka ifere m unu. Ihe ọwụnụ ala Igbo nwanụ Biafra nwanụ unu ga-azụtara anyị ede ha. Ifere m unu. Kemgbe m kwara mee live m mere kemgbe yesterday, ana m enweta series of threats. In fact, somebody is bold to come threat no openly. So na ha nweta m na Igbo, ha ga-emerụ m ahụ. I'm surprised. Because ihe a bụ ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu chọrọ ka ala Igbo
please listen very carefully here, because this is the reason why I decided to jump online now. And I'm sorry my camera is off because my landlady is here with me. Open your hand. Open your hand. Open your hand. Let me see. Just bear with me, please. Oh, go sad. Oh, give it again, but find a jar like it is stuff. All right, so listen to what she said here, please. Okay. Just pay attention if you see another way here.
Coach Daniel, KJ, everybody, nobody will talk.
No, in fact,
I'm sure I'm born on ndị DOS achọghị ime ụdị ihe ya rezoro Simon Ekpa. Onye ruo ọnụ egbupụ ya isi. Ihe awụ anyị mere ihe ọjọọ bịa mee Maazị Nnamdi Kanu.
This is another lie that I want to debunk tonight, because this one I've been saying this and nobody is talking about it. That Maazị Nnamdi Kanu raised Simon Ekpa. For record's sake, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu did not raise Simon Ekpa. What Maazị Kanu did is to recognize, to appreciate his honesty and his style of broadcast. Maazị Kanu did not introduce Simon Ekpa like nobody know him. He just pick him up and say, okay, I want you to be this and that. That did not happen. That is not what happened. And they keep on saying this because they felt that the blackmail on Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, is enough. In fact, they felt that they have succeeded in labeling him as a bad person, tagging all crime, on him, linking him to all manner of kidnapping issue and anything bad. So to them now, PM Biafran Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is an exhibit. That's what they want. That is why to befriend even DOS in and DOS out is difficult for me, because they are all, CPM like that. Few of them are now repenting though. This woman who don't even know anything about PM Simon Ekpa, she know nothing about Simon Ekpa. That is why in life, before you criticize somebody, make sure you carry your primary assignment very, very well, so that you are not going to end up using somebody's activities of another person to judge another person. So please, I believe if you have any contra opinion to that, let me know. I'm gonna drop a link while we are listening to her. If anything that I said that you think that you can debunk or say something, you are free to jump in instant and make your comment and jump out. Okay? So that's how we're gonna run this program today. The link will be constantly on. For those of you that want to join me, you can join me. Although our plan now, we don't welcome up to 10 anymore, because you can see that my subscription here has expired. So I'm actually running on a free platform as we speak. So what will happen is that I will drop this link. Those of you that disagree, if you disagree, or there's something you want to quickly chip in, you can join me here and make your comment. You can also jump out. So that's how we're going to do it. I'll drop a link. So the first thing that I've said here now is that PM Simon Ekpa was not introduced or created or called to support agitation or join Biafran Freedom by Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. No, he willingly joined, just like thousands and millions of Biafran have done. And Maazị Nnamdi Kanu appreciated his work. He appreciated his work, and by mentioning his name. Remember the day that he mentioned Maazị Simon Ekpa's name, he mentioned so many other broadcasters. But why is it that Maazị Simon Ekpa's own seems to be the only one people are talking about? Because they always want to give a dog a bad name before they buy that dog. So please let us, if those of you that know what I'm talking about, you can also come here and say, kind report, truly you want to say is true, or kind report, what is just said then is a lie. That is how open we are here in this platform. Now let's continue.
Embrace. na na-enwetara anyị Biafra from inwetezi Biafra ya ụzọ igbusisi ndị mmadụ a na-anwụ kemgbe 2021 akwa mee Maazị Nnamdi Kanu arrest mmadụ ọ na-enwugoro ya na m raise this alarm of ihe na-eme amam na ihe ama ụma na-eme amam na plan edebese ndị ogbu mmadụ onye kwuo okwu egbuo ya. Is that it?
So in case if you don't understand what the woman is saying, he's saying that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu has been buying people. Okay, that's what they are doing. I will take it back a little bit because this part honestly shocked me. And this is somebody who is let me just clear on something, because she said that people are threatening her life and they're calling for her death and all that. Anybody that's doing that is doing that on his own. Don't drag Maazị Nnamdi Kanu to time. Maazị Kanu did not send anybody to threaten you. I don't support anyone threatening her. Okay, I don't support it. It is wrong. If you're one of those doing that, please stop. You don't need to threat her life. Okay, you don't need to. I don't think it's something that worth it. She have right to her own opinion. Do not threaten her. Leave her alone. Let her be doing what she's doing. What you can do is to counter it by bringing the truth. Exactly what I'm just saying, what I'm just doing now. So not to threaten her life, and that thing should stop. You know, our people are not known for this kind of life. Anybody that says something that you don't like, the next thing how you can eliminate or attack. I don't buy to that idea at all. Let's continue.
So how many people come on the phone today? Na threat them na ga-egbu. So ihe obu. So no one na-egbusisi onwu, no one na-egbusisi anyị ụmụazị. M ga-ewepụta that guy from no, and m ga-play that voice note. Ọ na-anụ. Gịnị ka m kwuru na m sị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na the problem no around now, ndị otu ya na ya wụ the fault. Ya fix ya wụ mkparị. Ọ na-agba kitikiti. Ọwụ di leader nka. Kedu ụdị leader na-agwa okwu? What kind of a leader ka na-aga agwa okwu? Ya ndị na-eso gị, na-akwado gị. No wonder ihe ji wee mebie n'ota. Nobody there speaks. Nobody there talks. No wonder.
Imagine defending a group that buy people for listening to somebody on radio. Yeah, like imagine supporting and throwing your weight on a group that have record of buying people for just listening to Maazị Nnamdi Kanu on radio. They not only threaten, they carry the action out, allegedly. Okay? It was alleged and they have not debunked it. It has been alleged, time without number, that DOS, after the kidnap of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, when PM started broadcasting and teaching, throwing more light on what was going on and everything, Biafran started loving, throwing support on him, believing in him more than US. Out of jealousy and envy, they started looking for how to eliminate anybody that listens to someone else from within. If you are ESN, then it was alleged that many ES members were sent to Chukwu Kadraman simply because they used their own phone to listen to a program of Biafran Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. It did not stop there. These people managed to not only carry out the action, they threaten people publicly. I've listened to a video of a man called Biafran Child, Chineke, that like he loved to call himself. In one of his broadcasts then, was saying that anybody flowing autopilot should be sent to Chukwu Okike Abrahama. You know what that means, right? Now imagine why Easy Pineapple haircut coming out here with everything in her, shouting like in Ketago Nago, shouting like Umu Kurukuru village. Nketa na la chance. Nketa na abo ona wo kai ni maban. He would talk with the man or say, shouting without anything to back it up. Claiming that she's doing something good about an Igbo. She's just moving around. On a Ghana na Jasa, and Diana Tolombara. A whole lot of different game and I don't make different game, Maggie. But it's always good for you to understand what you are standing on. The group that you are supporting have a very questionable record that even you will never understand that group until you leave this earth. That is just a fact. If somebody like a Biafran child could just make that kind of utterance publicly, imagine what Chinasa Woru and other people who may have spiritual power than him will be saying and will be commanding within. You know the group called the Bubago. Have you asked yourself who actually formed it and how was it formed? Someone you are talking about, this woman, have you done your homework to understand what someone have done that you are complaining like this? To DOS, someone just stopped their fundraising and they use killing to lure you to this demonic work that you are doing now. You cannot know DOS in the space of 1 week more than Achalugo, who actually served them and work under them for years. Achalugo coming out today begging and amending her way. You are not smarter than Achalugo. This is to tell you that this business, this line you are following now is not good for you. And you should learn something from that. But who am I to command you? I'm not instructing you to do something. I'm only suggesting that whoever that know who you are should advise you and let you think properly. Maybe in Aga was that place. I wish you are doing it, you are supporting people that actually mean good. Of all the group in Nanibo, how can you explain to us that this DOS that you are willing to die for is working with you? You criticize army. You criticize army. You are not in good time with that's what you made us to believe, okay? Because I don't know the midnight call and midnight meeting that you guys are having. But publicly, you want us to believe that there is not a helping Ebola and there is just is being used by federal government. Okay. But the people that you are working for now are actually right-hand man of Udele. You criticize Chibuze Eguatu. Chibuze Eguatu, you are criticizing about what he's doing, and you have issue with Chibuze Eguatu and all that. But Chibuze Eguatu and the people that you're working for are actually best of best. They are bestie. Now you want us to believe that you are not working for government, that you actually would make sure that an Igbo, you are bringing it with Igbo. The Igbo in with Guinea came and actually. I think you know nothing about it. I was told that you are not even living in the eastern part. And I don't care where you are living, but what I'm saying is that how can you know what is going on in Igbo land when you actually bias? And you're not only that you are biased, you don't live there. The only good thing I can point out that you have done is criticizing checkpoints and revealing to the whole world that Nigerian Army, Nigerian security forces are behind some of this, if not all of the attack going on. Earlier today, I made a video of Harrison Gwamnesi exposing Nigerian Army. I think that video happened to be on our second platform. Those of you that follow us there, that video, what I'm saying now should not be a note. It shouldn't be a nothing to you. Gwamnesi exposed Nigerian Army full-time in one of his recent posts. He joined Nigerian Army to carry out an operation in Enugu State, and after that operation to dislodge kidnapping den where they hide out. Then after doing that, Nigerian Army came out and began to dish press release, and they started tagging this kidnapping den to be IPOB and all that. They started cooking up stories, calling it ESN hideout, knowing fully well that this is a literal armed gang. kidnapping people somewhere in Eziago, operating within Eziago axis, Eziago to Nsukka axis. Even I told you a few weeks ago that one of my cousins, who happened to be a Reverend Father, was kidnapped. He was moving from Anambra to Enugu to Nsukka to see a friend, and he was being kidnapped. I shared that to us here. I shared that with us here, and it happened to be that axis is where that operation of this army, Nigerian Army, and Harrison Gwamnesi carried out an operation, and that operation was successful. But only for Nigerian Army, a two div Enugu decided to change the story to target ESN group. You know what that means. I hope you understand what it means. So this is to tell you that the lies are flying. Their assignment is very simple. Tag every criminal activities to IPOB, make them look so horrible in the eyes of Ndibo, and Igbo people will turn against them, and the security will be just to weaken it, and that ruga that you guys have been dodging and running away from will be planted peacefully without any like unchallenged. And when you trace these weaknesses and what is going on, where it come from, it all originated from DOS, and metaphors to what we have now as fallback republic, because they are the one that said to go underground to work with the current government of the day in the name of bringing out mass American, which they did not bring anything. Do they even talk about it? Go and watch the video of Soludo in UK. I think a couple of weeks ago, if not, I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks now. It should be 2 weeks. Recent video where he claimed that he was having town hall meeting with Ndibo, the Anambarians in UK. Go and see how quickly they destroyed anything in Mazamukano that some people brought in that town hall meeting. They show their anger without minding how people will see it. Soludo despise anything with Mazamukan, and so do other governors in eastern part of Nigeria. This woman you are seeing here is pure agent. That is my conclusion about her, but we need to follow her video very, very closely, because as they pass by, she keep on revealing and exposing her job. It happened to be a woman who normally appeared in law court in solidarity with Master Americano. Later do we know that this woman is on a mission, and finally she's here. And I can tell you that her contractor is not far from within as well. Uche Chikan is my suspect, of course, second by Ejofo. That is I'm not saying that I have found out that this is what they told me. I'm just telling my instinct is pointing at the both of them. But anyway, listen. So after verifying that what is not different between this woman and Omotosho that she criticized in the law court? Omotosho sentenced Mazokano on the same story, where they brought out somebody called Oyami in name of testifying against Mazokano. I have made a video about that issue here. Those of you that follow me all this while, I believe this is not, it shouldn't be new to you. I have discussed about that Oyami. I even show you his face. Okay? Leg ekwentị.
Ebe ọkụ nyere awụsa ọwa. Ndị nwụrụ anwụ bụ mmadụ. A ga na-anwụ. Mana ọnwụ n'ọnụ ime m intimidate na msị maazị Nnamdị ka kedu ka mmadụ ga-eji create a group. Create another two join n'ọya. N'ime this 3 group now. IPOB 100 men. Simon Ekpa, 1 man created them.
Live from pit of hell. And that is why this woman should not be regarded as any human being. Just see her as the way you see any other inanimate object. Include her. I'm not saying you should go after her too. I'm not saying you should buy her. I'm not saying you should start threatening her life. To me, it's useless. You are just disgracing yourself. Why must you threaten her? She used her voice to talk. She did not pick any arm against anybody yet. Okay? Even if she pick any arm, threatening her is just like, I don't take you serious, because whoever that want to do something will not announce it. So please stop threatening her life. If at all you are one of those, all right, whoever that is threatening her, please stop. Allow her to move freely. Okay, she have right to her own opinion. Let us learn how to, understand this kind of thing, because the more you are threatening everybody, how many people are you going to shut off their mouths? How many are you going to shut off their mouth? And even if there's anything to do, it should come from United States of Biafra. They should look into it, and government knows what to do. Don't take law into your hands. I don't support it, and that will, because the moment you start that, it will lead to anarchy, which we don't, something that none of us actually want. So let's not do that. Learn how to, calm down and absorb whatever another person will say, and stand on your own, stand on that thing that you know that is truth. Okay, and don't allow her utterances to weigh you down. Let's continue. I greet all of you in the comment section. I have Oluchiwa God. You are just joining us, and Daniel had been here. Ifeanyi Okoye, I see you, Ifeanyi. You are welcome. Ngozi Moren, our own sister. Greetings to you. Remember, my link is out. Father, let me pin it. Those of you, whatever I'm saying that you don't like, you want to counter it, or you want to support, okay, jump in and make your comments anytime, so we can continue listening to Lolo Nekachimeze, like she preferred to call herself, aka Pineapple Haircut Woman. Some called her YEC Punk. So just choose the one that is okay for you and give it to her, because she deserved any name at all. Honor Gabon or Mambakana. If since you ask na ji mote hawk no, then amatazi ndị mmadụ amatazi na-ata ji asapụ ọnụ ka ọkụ hapụ ịta gị n'ọnụ, ịghọtago? Let's continue. Hear her.
For what purpose exactly? These three groups now, all of them now born with her war. Can you imagine them the kind of church Southeast? Can
you imagine?
I did not observe. Can it one man general of three groups are now by around? Now the same three groups now by now about war. Now this one about the race group me patane was mad.
The same woman who are going to mask no can Ibuna Southeast. The same woman who are going to suffer by Ibuna Southeast. The same woman is not telling you that now did me better. Nebu. I want to say that now no galapatag or flonny cocoga or galapatag, because you talk, you are just saying what you cannot even justify. It's not even up to 3 minutes. He bodo many people. Just like one other a cook, I think I have her video. Please just permit me just a moment. I think I have her video. We are coming back to this, so don't go anywhere. Where is that her video? This woman, if about what I'm not being a German. Chineke na-eke mmadụ. Floya.
Obi gbawara m. Na isi ka ị ga-afụ ụmụazị 20 something, 19, 18, 30 something, 32, 33 years. Ka ifuru iri akwa white, ka ifuru iri akwa black, ela ajụ nke na-eme. Asị gị na di ya nwụrụ anwụ, ọ chịrị ụmụaka, chịgharị ụmụaka, ụmụ obere ụmụazị.
She said she went to the east, and what she saw there, what she met there, that her eyes are full of water where they come off for eye, because she met a lot of young people, young women carrying little children, and they were saying, where is the husband, the father of their children? They have died. So it's all by that they are hearing there. You understand?
All right. Her translation is from 0 to 0. I will play it again. I want you to pay close attention. We're all Igbo speaking Biafran here. I want you to listen to what the woman said in Igbo language. Okay? then I want you to watch how this woman translated. Because when I said it's not only Lolone Kachimbeze, we have many of them, which some of you don't understand. You remember yesterday I was counting, I think our sister Madam Origin, I was telling her that it's not only the Igbo, I think it was all Jugo. I was telling the person that it's not only Igbo men, that we also have women. I know why I say so, because I have come across many of that video. Oye give forehead that the why are you for never? Why you for ababa forehead that for never? Sense ya no kwa na gana. Or no kwa nisi. Oye for. On that bonding but he have a cafe if we watch booty on over. We have a military goes in the house. Maybe he want to chip in something and jump out. Let's hear from you. Good
evening, Mazekai. Good evening,
There
Mazekai. Anyway, it's not a good thing, but we should be happy too that this woman is coming out. He must say, Onyenenyo, isi anapota.
Go.
The woman is coming out gradually, and it's becoming clearer as day goes by. It's becoming clearer. The woman initially, just as you just said, Mokuroku, the killings in Southeast, now all Nigerian security operatives, those is no BIPOB. Then, I embrace that finding because the Oku Kunezioku. But at the time, after the tradition, and it's likely that Mazam Nanekano rejected her completely. So, her a way of showing her anger, and also, one year, own a contract with enemies right from time, but what you want to one thing is for sure, but in the end, Biafra will come. And when Biafra does come, Maze, Uno say, I'm highly disappointed. Uno put that time so okay, and no one can highly disappointed. According to the law.
My brother, if you could deny Yamana, what are if you do money? Nobody's against her making the statement the way it is that security forces are behind the buying and kidnapping of our people. If you are in doubt, go to Amnesty International. I keep on referring them to that. Go to Amnesty International. Amnesty International are not member of IPOB, neither are they agitated for Biafra. These are a neutral body, observant. That if you go there, you see them reporting crime going on in the north, going on in the southwest. They are reporting those, extrajudiciary buying of people. That's what they do. If you go there, you see the number of people that have been tagged as IPOB members, and none of these women, like can never ever condemn such thing.
Yes.
I want you to understand that I'm not saying that when she made statements and put things the way it's supposed to be, that I'm not against it. Why would I be against it? Man, the problem is that after making the correct statement, for the sake of her own banter system, to do her own work, she will still come back and say, Simon Ekpa, you understand? And she will still come back and said, it's just because Mazam Kano said, don't come again to Sokoto, stay away, they block her. She started going gaga. So that, it seems like this problem is in DNA of Igbo. Once they deny you what you want, you begin to run mad. What about, have you forgotten that you have a life before that incident? Ordinary, just imagine, ordinary don't come to Sokoto because of you lied, you use my name to run propaganda on social media. I know if you know that I'm here in Sokoto, Mazam made it clear to her. This woman have never remained the same. She started hanging around with people that hate Mazam Namad Khan. She started speaking from both sides of her mouth. The same thing applicable to La Zuba. Just stay away. Suspension. She said, how dare you to give me suspension? Before that, she not go gaga. They not sack her. The same thing applicable to Mazakwa. The cabinet have been dissolved. Both of them have never remained the same. Now look at you go 247. The same thing is going on. so many of them. Once your no matter the education, some of them carry pass.
On the part of this woman, I think ought to go slightly different in the sense that one year we have already. Even before Mazinan can reject, off go na 1 year the genuine. 1 year, this woman has been working with enemies before.
Mazina Modecano is so smart that he can, he can allow even the chief of Iberiberism to be, to be around. He allow you, he respects you because he respects anybody. Nina Gary, neighbor human being, Mazakano will give you benefit of that.
Then at the next one, turn left onto the Alameda.
So that is the problem, my brother. Udod, cannot of if why is it for heading kind of okay? Because why I have to present this why is it Ketolabo? She is constantly attacking and exposing her stupidity on Facebook. One of her, I don't know her problem, to be honest with you. Am I supporting killing of people? God forbid. God forbid. I'm not supporting that. Mana Ibrahana or no come the book this is a good age. Bull forehead, why you forehead, forehead can come work. Nanny Ebana. Now I want you now to hear what look at the translation here. I will take it back. No, hold on. Why are you on a pulling a phone? Get that Suribo language, and I want we also listen. We understand Igbo language, right? Now, get.
Obi gbawara mụ na isi ka ị ga-afụ ụmụazị 20 something 19 18 30 something 32 33 years ka ifuru iri akwa white ka ifuru iri akwa black ịla-ajụ nke na-eme asị gị na di ya nwụrụ anwụ ọ chịrị ụmụaka chịgharịa ụmụaka ụmụ obere ụmụazị.
She said she went to the east, and what she saw there, what she met there, that her eyes are full of water where they come off for eye, because she met a lot of young people, young women carrying little children, and
why I said that she went to east. I was thinking that east now, she's not telling you that I traveled to East. She said, na East, ke gafo, umobelo mwaka, umwai, ikiflo ila kwa white, na kwa di. Man, because she was so much in a haste to tag it to IPOB, to tag it to Biafra status. Ndị abonde mama fat no nubo, to fat breche fa fi me, more than about football. Na ịma ekwu o nwere ike ga-ekwe na dịka na-aga na-ekuzi okwu dị off point because na second ụmụazụ nwanyị na we know all those things. I want to continue, my brother.
This lady dịka onye Akwa Ibom steeti blessed dom
Yes,
ọ dịka ma onye Akwa Ibom steeti o teela aka this woman, it's been a long time this woman na-attack Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. He opened before. I'm not that it's against or not supporting here.
Ọsụkwa na ya bụ Igbo, ọsụkwa na ya bụ Igbo, ọ na-egwu na-ekwu na ndị mmadụ na-agwa na ya na-eme ya na-eme ndị Igbo attack.
Ndị a niile, in the end, I got for these things because Biafra is here already. It's here already. I don't want to I got what is here already. So all these people, Mogegeru, they all regret in pain.
There's a difference between condemning something that is evil, and we all do that, than going beyond that and begin to yap nonsense. Now, okay, you know what? Let me play to the end, and I will show you the headline. This woman attached.
Turn right.
Where is the husband, the father of their children? They have died. So it's all by that they are hearing there. You understand? Yeah. So because when we are talking about this thing, it's almost like, oh, you people are just talking, the one, you don't like your people, it's okay. tell me. They say what you are doing is anti-Igbo. What you are doing is self-hate. What you are doing. Okay, tell me what people who love their tribe do. What are the activities? What is the thing that somebody does, and you will know that that person is for the tribe, you know? So I'm doing all these things to show you that it's not as if somebody just came out and started talking. There are so many things that they are trying to cover. It's a conspiracy of silence.
At the next light, turn
left. Okay, I will drop her video. Now, the only thing I want you to see again about her is the headline she have. Look at the headline she put here, you know, in this particular video. Pay attention to the headline, please. She said, going on in Nigerian Southeast, so many widows / orphans from IPOB's ESN TT. Now, even the video that she played did not say IPOB, did not say ESN, nothing like that. Which is like, yeah, we're but now what this guy, you're gonna forward this woman, the other can have plot of land. She take what do this?
Forehead in the South African lady, all the South African ladies.
Forehead of Catholic about one. Anyway, everywhere 0-0. If umoke na dance no. Anyway, let's continue. Chineke, my phone can hold you play with his forehead. I'll bias that. Let's go back to why is it pineapple?
No na background.
Do the one name.
Na go show them mini. Ana akpare Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Emebehoro Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ihe mmere ya.
If he made polo white. According to a former polo one. Why is he punk? My River Goddess in the house. You're welcome. Let's hear from you. Why we continue? The goddess.
Hello.
We can hear you.
Hello.
Hey. Go out and come back. You cannot hear me. Okay. Go out and come back.
Hello.
Hold on, if I come up here. River Goddess, go out and come back. You cannot hear me. I don't know why. Let me take you down. Let me repeat myself so that you can hear me, River Goddess. Please go out and come back. Just come back again. Maybe network will not respect itself. I'm on a bit what I hear. Here why
monthly. Risk better than what then of you know here risk go on dono. The stupid boy Diana Jim, near to Pegama Bem Chipota. Na come we name and South is a me, never come no, Minokata Captain, ne, on your own way and working. Na Jimmy Hemre na Southeast. Telefon Simaro Yambo, and of night pop. It come one maybe high pop from 2015 to 2022 on rollum. Etiri moon on. Onye tro one name wine, onye di one name wine, onye troya nana. Vitus Dimpa haka gene. Otam shi kwoku ba no to shi kwoku ebu yo, oto njichi gbum now. No pro no ogbo na meeting na befa kwoku. Akpọpụta ya n'ihu ụmụ ya na nwunye ya gbagbuo Vitus. Nwoke adagharị ọda isi ada wa nwoke mmadụ nwe typhoid nwe malaria. Agbagbuo ya asọ ndụ ụmụ ọma. And then onye a na-akpọ anya aha n'ọha na ama na-eto ụmụ ọma. Aje ọkwa nwere okwu a. Ịga na unu gburu m ọ na-aga ekwu ya. Che na aka ghọrọ mgbọ 2 months onye m kwuru. Ma maazị emezighị ihe na-eme na hip-hop na 100 men na ndị otu Simon. Ụnụ na-akpọ Simon Ekperima. Ama m nụ na Simon onye ka mma. At least, yeah, potacha, won't consider that I'm not a wow. What when you
Why Metiano can the Baru go River Goddess, you are welcome.
Hello.
Ndewo.
Nna m ka eke ime ebe ka ị nọ oke m na-enezi anya afọ m gị mgbago agbago m afọ gị
I off on my camera before my landlady never. I do the go camera.
biko ọha ma bụ first.
Or you going to get chance. Or that
ịma o nwere ihe bụ mkpọrọmasị ọnụ ka this lady wepụtara na esi na isi edi ka isi ihe eji etiwe okwute. Thank you. Afia bụ Blessendom. Blessendom has been quiet for a long time because God has put in her in her place, because all the propaganda she has been firing on could not fly against Simon Ekpa, against IPOB and ESN. Then, Blessendom, you felt that this is the right time. Now, people may not understand. Blessendom is the girlfriend of Ijele.
Oh, really?
Yes. When Ijele was inside, she was the one with one guy, Anakpo Chima. Anakpo Iro. So Chima, they were the two people that was managing Ijele's account. Yeah, that is Udela Ofebu when he was inside. Her and that guy were the people raising funds, creating kiosks on internet that Udele is sick, that Udele has kidney failure, and Udele is vomiting blood. She is the one, Blessendom, managing that account. So Blessendom has been an enemy with Nsima Nsiobogu. Blessendom, Nsima, Akparawo, they were the people during the time of Nelly that was fighting Simon Ekpa dating.
So she was she in IPOB before?
She weren't. She just like like a platform o created onweye na agba ndị IPOB mgba na agba tackle na agba si na ha bụ na ha uhu ndị Igbo. Are you getting it? So there was never a time from incision he has been an opponent of Biafran movement. Because initially with Akparawa, then we were telling them, use your own language, use your own platform to get your people, you know, to.
But she's Igbo woman, right?
Blessendom say she's not an Igbo woman. Or how mabunde like Indo to Indo Bodonwike. You understand?
Why is she saying that? But she said that you are fighting your own people, as if she's a Igbo person.
On the Ikwere can have because all them call Ikwere Igbo, but no kwete her. That's why she was sitting her platform obona a pool be ya dam obu onyabu a very Blessendom. You are a very mean, wicked human being from 2020. 21 have been fighting this struggle, but at the time now, what I go. When Simon Ekpana, then or Gaza underground, that is so museum, nobody knows that she exists and everything. Life moves on. Now we see Pineapple now came out and his her co-likes, you understand me? She now came out. So all you're asking, you know, anyone knew the Lekobu.
Yeah, I am on her page and I can tell you because most of what you posted is what she's posted. She's following the
one managing. She was the one fighting Biafran movement. She was everything. And I want to ask you, Blessendom, what happened to you? Seeing your face right now, something happened to you. Your face shifted. Something happened to you. What are you dealing with, or what is dealing with you? You understand? Then, by the way, Then you see coconut anụnwa na ebe anụnwa chimpanzee nya osinabu nkakwu Nneka Chimezie. Let me tell you, bring it on. Enwere ode happiness, joy nwere. There's one lady, but I have not gone. Check is their TikTok. Anambra. So I think on a TikTok. So my Anambra, I thank you very much. She came out and stood and said, Nneka Chimeze, I don't know you are like this. Or say, through this case, I stand out. So anyhow you want it, and na TikTok charok, and I'm sure I can find my way to that platform. Mboji tune in one anya bata, because she was giving it to this ishi pocket.
Which woman are you talking about?
There was one lady I just came. I said, no, one Anambra, something Anambra.
Oh, yeah.
On a TikTok show. So I don't know. I just
Listen.
People should stop using Nnamdi to do your nonsense. If you are working for the government,
I don't know how.
Talk and say they work for government.
By force.
Not the pass corner. Come out. This useless woman wait there here. She the pass corner. Now what I don't like for my life. She the pass corner. Akuno fundi Igbo anyị. Ọkụ ndị Igbo na-ere ndị Igbo. Ọkụ ndị Igbo na-egbu ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo na-egbu ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo na-ere ndị Igbo. Ọ bụ ndị mba ọzọ. Ọkụ oke nọ n'ime ụlọ nakwa nke nọ n'ezi sị ya bịa na nni nọ n'ime ụlọ nya bịa. Ọkụ dị okwefu nwaanyị a n'ebe a kịta. Enyego nwaanyị ego. Mgbe m fụrụ rekọdụ nwaanyị because mụ na nwaanyị enweghị gbasara mụ na ya. This woman is just too fake. From beginning, this lady was just very nice from beginning. I used to see her videos sometimes when she say, hey, this like that, because I love my culture. I love my, anything Igbo. So I always see when she say, hey, this is lolo nekao and things like that. That makes me happy. Right? But you see right now, things have changed.
100%.
Is that
but then when we were, oh God,
okay.
Oh. Somebody commented. Unyi said is the guy that
Aminat Mbojibia Mohammed Yetunde Omodara Basirati Okpe Oluwa Pokoroko Mbotopom Awashion na anya eba.
Oh.
Asi motoro sawu na afọ.
Yeah.
Asi gini otoro sawu na afọ. Kete palambara putu je unuku.
Oh, this lady, Ima no oyobna isi about na man like no we problem.
Okay, mmeje chogi na TikTok nwanne na mmeje
oyobna isi di mama like na this lady because when it comes to fearless, never.
Hey, I have to find my way to that platform. Any modern video to one. All notorious centers. You understand? Ishigongoro. I call my dear sister. Oh my God. I just came across it. I'm sick. I'm TikTok, but what she's doing, I like it. So I need to be there. Okay, for Anyamani, this we will not give this punk head chance.
For what one?
Okay, you be bafufu. You never see anything yet. Even a happy they will start talking about of Look at what she's saying here. Now, Mazi no n'ime, bịa gbuo nwanne gị. Simon nọrọ n'ime, bịa gbuo nwanne gị. Ọnwụ na-egbu ndị niile ọ na-egbu. Ọ bụ
ya na imi
biko ya na-ekwu okwu ịma nna study mmadụ ọ na-ekwu okwu ihe m na-akpọ ya bụ ọnụ wider ọnụ ya na-eme ka an old woman eze adịghị n'ọnụ ịbịazie n'ezi ọnụ ọ tụpịwara ịfụgo ọnụ a kwefụrụ ndị tụpịwara ọnụ ire ọkpụ ịnezie ya anya ọ bụzialụ finish ya na-ekwu okwu ọ na-ekwu ka ihe eze adịghị n'ọnụ. You understand? So
Madam, ndị Bagoles nwaanyị anụkwa ọnụ onu ya ọ ga-ararụkwa ụla n'abalị
I greet you. From this woman, I was just going through. I saw this and said, no, I am not good at this TikTok something that I'm going to find myself on that platform, honey. That's the kind of thing I wanted because this woman is true. She's biting more than she can chew. So that on I like what the lady said. How can you come lying against somebody? Lying, that is.
Nwaanyị na-asị asị a, ọ na-asị asị ọchịchapụcha anya. Kedu ka anyị ụmụ ya esi eke? Na-asị asị ọchịcha.
Islam Muslim.
Hey!
I'm telling you.
Nsị gị na anyị bụ ụmụ nwaanyị niile biko anyị ga-achọ platform ya nnọọ that is ebe a ma even notorious painter. Yeah, notorious painter aga m abata notorious painter ama nwe peace ka ha niile ha na. You understand? Maybe na ọ dịka onugo voice this woman kpatara ishipena.
Yes.
Look at that's what I am saying now. Notorious painter pụtara si unu na a threat life ya. But notorious painter has been threatening other people's life. Even notorious painter.
I feel because that woman not notorious painter.
Platform, notorious painter says something to know how they are able. Kelenna ineme eji information again. Anatalake agatalake atalake. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You understand? So what I mean that because now I love this woman. I'm going to look for her platform and I'm going to subscribe and I'm going to stay around because you push me, I push you, no trouble. In a lie against somebody, you are hurting people. When you see paint, you are hurting me personally, because you are saying lies. You are hurting me. And anyway, you understand? Notorious painter, chimpanzee, you know?
Okay.
Or chimpanzee can so you are telling lies against an innocent man. Nneka Chimezie, ọ bụrụ na Nnamdi Kanu were to be your son or Simon Ekpa, Nneka Chimezie, have not seen where you come out on your platform. Na-ekwu maka ndị Boko Haram a na-eme integrate. I have not seen you ebe na-ewepụta ife ndị a na-egbu n'ebe isi. I've never seen you do that.
If you na-ekwu haram to them. From banding ke woke oya ke phone never case never get son oya ke phone never na ka record them quarter in the village or who can this guy
now if run on
if any like a bag you know to get a bag on over
no
please go and check. They can never DOS DOS they can green white green they can never ever mention you will never hear a Bible from them. Why? They will not, because all haram.
Ima no nwere ihe pineapple head kwuru also na advice enyere ya or something ya amamos na ga-ebido kwụsị ikwu okwu maka ESN or IPO, I don't know if offer. So you cannot stop, because when you stop, that is when we wake up. You will never have peace. Ana m agwa gị eziokwu, ife ọbụna ilola anyị mma, mmeluo gị aka, ilokwe n'ụzọ, njeluo gị aka. So ife dị gị nnọọ mkpa bụ ka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka nya amaghị m ka m ga-esi tinye ya da ka imemina ya. So imeminaja ya ụmụ nke ga-adị. So gị memina ya inwe udo, mba na ihe ha enwe udo. That's all I want to say. Peace.
Ka m chetara River Goddess ada amama ụlọ chọrọ ịpụ na ịmana ka ọ adịkwuere nwaanyị a wete afọ ọ na-ada enyeregasị ya, ọ adịkwuere ya ime ịnyịnya nya na-akpọ ụtaba kwe ma họs ma ọ na ifu họs ebe ọ kpọrọ ụtaba nye nwaanyị anya nye so osibiko adarịa nke aka ọ taịtụl agaba ịfụrakwa na enyi ebe ọ kpọrọ ụtaba, just watch ya chọọ geography ebe enyi ya kpọrọ ụtaba ọzịa ka ime edide n'ime nwaanyị anyị ghọtago nwanne idebere ịnyịnya ụtaba ọkpọ ya inene werida nda o were
ịmakwa na gị na nke a dị na iwe na-arụ ya ịtọ ọnụ wee metụ ya aka amara m ka ara ya adịghị adị, because ọ ka tewegonu pawuda mgbe ahụ ọ pụtara ọfụ, ọ dị ka ajọ ikwikwii, ọ dị ka chimpanzee. Anya nchọ gịnị bụ ihe nke ya na-ekwuzi okwu, ọ dị ka ha wụpụchara eze n'ọnụ.
O webere isi ọnwụ ma azụ a na-akpọ ebere isi River Goddess ọ enwere ka esi eme ụdị a pilo, iwere pilo inuchie enyi iru
na River Goddess nwa mmụọ gị wakazi wee dị
Asatina nnọọ nwanne m, ọkwanụ ndị a na-akpa mmadụ na nwaanyị ibe m ga nwaanyị ibe m
nke abụrụ nnọọ nwaanyị ibe maka na nke soro ya nwaanyị eziokwu ka m na-agwa gị ama m nwoke nke data ise
oche masta makwa na enwere otu nwaanyị si ama mma, a sịgodo na ọ bụ na nwaanyị ma ya jụọ njọ anụ arụ mana omume ya na-eme di ya ọ na-akpụkete ya nso, mana nwaanyị a jọrọ ndị eji njọ omume. Mgbe na-asị ọ bụzalụ na itiri nwoke ga-anya di ya na-emetụ ya aka na ọchịchịrị ọ na-edi n'ihe, mana akwenye ha anụ ọkụ. Nke a bụ ikwikwii ihe bụ na ihe nwoke anaba biko Asatina, since you are on here before m pụọ, biko anyị ga-achọ platform nwaanyị a na-akpọ nwaanyị Anambra.
Ajụrụ m na comment section
give to Okeke. You said that you were in her platform yesterday. Please quickly drop her.
Nwaanyị chefa ya ebe ahụ ka anyị kwesịrị ije wee jejeje maka nwaanyị a nya anyị kwesịrị ije ebe a maka ọnọdụ na all our mothers, because nwaanyị na-apịa anyị ose n'anya na nke a dọrọ ụmụ nwoke. Biko let's go to that platform ka ọma na ịbata ka anyị
drop
okay. You said you were there yesterday. Please drop her handle. Very, very important.
Welcome. Ocean Master, continue. Aga m etigide nwaanyị a ka akwantiri ntifute ihe metifute agaghị m ekwe.
That is it.
Ocean Master nwanne m biko ị nwere ike inye m 1 minute or 2.
Gaa n'iru Asatina ka m kerekwa unu aba anụ unu nyere man anyị researcher today nnọọ afa a makakwa
Professor now or Kennedy.
I'm telling you. That platform not stand out. Say yeah,
the title of the man. Yes, sir. Go ahead, Asatina.
So, because my brother, thank you so very much, Mazi Ocean Monster. Dalo. Ezinne Achalug. Anakpọghị na-etinye eyi. Nne mama, ekene m gị nwanne m ebiribi anyị nọ ya nnọọ. Daalụ. Maazị ka anyị dịkwa woo. Imecha na crown ọ this woman. Imecha wee crown ọnwa anyị a ikpinyere ọmakakwa. Ka gele. Ka gele. Ọ gịnị? Itinyeziri ya mma. Itinyekwere ya mma n'arụ ifka ya ọ na-ama di ya. The pineapple gele. Hey, so and I can see where an HZ check all and there. So you need the woo. Why I want to also yesterday. Kelena was playing one of her videos yesterday. One day, why? Only a Bazirinime. Only a Bazirinime. No advice enough. Now, get this why your focus is in your jipoto. We preach polygamous family. Hey! Adịkwa egwu mba. Ọ machara mapụta ọma na-ejighị ike pụta egwu ụmụ Biafra. Ejighị ike ewepụta ewere ọkpa zọbisie gị. I'm telling you. So, Nneka, actually, I'm talking with the thumbnail you were terrible because I don't know. I just came in, you know. So
don't worry, we are still playing her video because today we are Mike on was one I be done program.
Okay, freestyle.
Yeah, freestyle.
Okay, so yeah, Nneka, because I didn't meet up so okay, Kelena Mepere, I wanted to talk to her as well. Because the woman, so many people were calling the IPOP and but based on the program that video when you listen to her voice I didn't be like Igbo be Igbo. apịawara ya azụ mgbe ya pụta na that program because only ya bịara lakpọ mana akwa ifu na nke ikpeazụ anyị ga-eri digiri ma eyebrow otu isi wee klikie ya ma enwe nke anyị na-eri dizi na the woman apịawara ya azụ. So coming out to do that program o decide to go not to tinye n'ọnụ n'ebe ihe na-agbasa ya. And mind you, these people Nwayi na Uru their spokesperson now, they have forgotten that they always say Igbo an oath member, why are you putting your mouth in it? Now hey were na Nwayi kuma na forefront onwezi ihe dịka oath member now. Okay, the oath member now abrozi maka Nneka.
Even
every media happen. The only media hungry now.
If a platform na TikTok and Instagram and the YouTube and Facebook, everybody put an Google.
I'm telling you. Hey. Andy, I can't say a for my neck.
If open adults the constant na Facebook, like that, no more black friend chip in Facebook. Ọma fanya afọ na tat na di video kita anyị na-eple ọ kpọrọ ma ọra bụ eze afọ n'ebe a na
ọ kpọrọ ya ọra ya ọ dịkwa ka nke ahụ kele na akpọrọ nchọburu ikwu okwu but I didn't get the chance to come in the studio. So the woman, I just want to remind her now ọ sandwago like Maazị Nnamdi Kalu ikpesighị nọ n'ime na-achị na-enye ọda to DOS. Ọ ga-ekwu maka na o kwukwere ebe ahụ sef na onwe grupu ọwụ na o wepụtara na ya nwa ga-agba ya ụkwụ. Ọ sanduziri ka lasuba so the woman ejikere so I like ihe ahụ ese ọkarate ga-agba ya ka ya ga-agba karate. I'm telling you. So if you go
Asati biko Maazị Kai ịma na ọ pụtara ịbịa gwa anyị okwu anyị wee wụọ ya agịga ya asawazi ahụ tewe powder tewezie makeup biko wepụtagodere anyị ihu ka abịdị ebe ahụ o gboro akwa n'obi na mbụbọ ya ebe ahụ ogbo akwa n'obi.
You people did not even notice one thing. This woman initially punk ya away very high punk. After akpọwara ya nwaanyị isi punk ya ụwa ya
selata ya maka o nwere nke na-adị ka akpụkpọ ọkụkọ ịma otu ọ na-agba amụ ọkụkọ ọfụ ikuku a na-ebu ya o wee bịa senata the thing tejie ya die wee pọnkọ ya ọfụma
ịma na ọ na-agba ntakịrị na ọgwụ egboro bọsụ na ọgụ na-atọ ụtọ.
I'm telling you, my dear brother.
Ọ na-ekwu okwu ọfụna okwu na
nwaada nwaanyị a gwara anyị sị na ọtọwahụ di ya ụtọ. Ọ gwara anyị sị na ọtọwahụ di ya ụtọ. Ọ sị na ọtọwahụ di ya ụtọ wee jee lụọrọ di ya nwaanyị because ọ chọrọ ije na-aracha kukumba ndị Abuja na banana ndị
ọ na-akọnsida.
Mba, ọ sị na ọ lụrụ ị na-anụ mgbe ọ na-agbasị ndị nọ na diaspora ha supoziri ị na-anụ nwaanyị abụọ. Ọ ebe a ka nwaanyị a bidoro na ha kwesịrị ị na-anụ nwaanyị abụọ. Ọ nọrọ di ya nwaanyị ọzọ jezie na Abuja wee na-apa kukumba. Ọpa kukumba nke ọ dịrị ya mma, ọpa banana nke ọ dịrị ya mma. You understand?
Video nke m wọchịkwara ebe ọ na-ekwu na ọ na-akọnsida ya n'ihe kwesịrị ihe dị mma ka ọ nwee.
Ọ sị na ya nọrọ di ya nwaanyị na ya ma nsọmụzi pasikụlụ dị na ya na nke ọ ga na-azọ nọ nke Abuja na nke di ya dị ọzọ kọnkụ nọ nke Abuja ọ ga na-eji.
Let me say something quickly. I'll jump out. I'm just laughing. I can't.
So my dear sister,
just the people, and I have to give you people so you can continue. Imana nwanya. Why be I will notice it always oyi nke dịka like gangster. Okay, na original gangster. You na so
when you be someone the man ga mmiri.
Na wudinka.
Even na punk alone one.
Amana Amana ya ga hoke na I need a gangster. Sorry. I need to jump out.
No, Madam Origin, don't jump, don't go nowhere. There is a platform we are visiting. That platform is where we will be getting to her direct. I got you also on TikTok. I should know TikTok. we will go there, my dear.
No, I can make delayed invite to our platform.
Anya bụ notorious painter na-eme mmadụ invite, so we will go to where us neighbor
I got a platform yeah.
Anya abụghị na Tuba.
We will go there. Yeah,
Madam Origin unu n'ezi anyị mana before ọ nọ n'ihe dịka ebe mkpọmkpọ ihe nwa na studio with akwa kara tinko microphone o wezere hit na-emi o were handkerchief or towel dịka ihe eji ete dye o kowie n'onu o were ebucha kita idezi background ebe ọ nọ
isi punk
ị na-echezi studio anya
ọ na-asị ebe pink lipstick ahụ ọ na-eme
nke pink lipstick akọgo mi ọnụ m si na ọ dị ka ihe tara ọ dị ka ihe tara aja ya yuzuziri ya na ọ dịghị ya mma ya make sure na o tere powder ife ọzọ na ọ tezil blonde gold, you understand? So
ọ na-egekwe ntị o
why ọ ma nji ịma mgbe ọsọ ọ sị na ịkpọ ya why ọ ma nji ntị
journalist ọkwụnụ mana ọ Nigeria journalist
journalist azụ ụlọ ụdị nke
ọnọdụ ndị Igbo.
No, I'm coming from somewhere in ụnụ mana these journalists nọ na Nigeria ha na ndị police na ndị ihe na ha na-akpa, in fact ihe na-enye ha na-go script. So she's just can help on her brush here up. She's looking fine here.
Yes, ọ chọtaghị ihe ọ na-achọ, ọ chọrọ iji Maazị Nnamdi na Simon build platform ya ibuild gokwenye anyị etiseli gị ikwete na ọ na-eme as long as na ịbụ a woman. Anyị na onwe anyị bụ women, not woman, women. So anyị ga-enye gị back to back.
There is something she said. I just want to address it a little bit. Then I will go because I'll go late here. So the woman, when she started, now she's sounding like, why will Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Now Maazị Nnamdi Kanu may be organization by Isina prison na-enye order that he should allow DOS to lead, Now, this woman, remember, initially when she visited Maazị Nnamdi Kanu the first time, or was it the time Anna got caught, she came out to tell us, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu no nyere message. What was she thinking? What was she thinking then? Is it not order from Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? And she came out boldly to say it, that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu no say na onyere yozi na say ya na gwai na stop or sit at home. Now, when it's not in their favor, they will be like Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is a taboo to give order from prison. When I see this woman, why is it that she will just come in and something that she cannot tell the history, how it started? Maazị Simon Ekpa was even the one that started saying it is not right to take order from DSS dungeon. What they were saying, the propaganda they were pushing that time was na Maazị Simon Ekpa chọrọ imezi chọrọ iwuzi the leader. Yes. So why are they coming back to say the same thing? They should first of all say that Maazị Simon Ekpa was right all this while. They should first of all say that. So
they think that to say that. They think that they're too big to say that they apologize.
You see, I don't know what they think that Naye Chizogo or Noggin, that we will not remember all of these things. You know, ask him gina the canopy uchiri ha ekpu epuna ana afuzi ha, because they were using Mazi Simon Ekpa as an excuse
to cover up.
To cover up for doing nothing since Eji Mazi Onyendu. You know, Akpa Canon has said, no, Mazi Simon Ekpa, what's the activities of Mazi Simon Ekpa is making what we are planning, what we are doing on the ground not to work. You see, if not today, I want Mazi Simon Ekpa cannot with us today. They will still be sounding like that, and people will be believing them that name when they actually no Mazi Simon Ekpa won't you.
Okwana mnaza yoba potensi ko na ba na side ebe onu.
Onye?
Azayoba.
Azayoba lives in his car.
Oh.
Azayoba has no house. Azayoba lives in his car.
So I'm telling you, all of these people, thank God now osikoto ame owuru kele no say that ihe a na-eme na o kwesịrị ime. After this thing now, people that will reason. Ndị chọkwara ịma ga-ama, ndị na-achọkwara ịma will still be ezuzuarị na-esokwe ha. You know, ka ihe a dịkwa na otu ekwensu sikwe wee dịrị ya nwekwara followers. Ị ga-afụkwa people. Nwere nụ, because I'm very ashamed of them, or not myself. I'm very ashamed of them for them coming out calling this woman now say just to protect the same failed DOS. Now say na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no jikwe me nke ọzọ.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why is it police anyị wee nwee masị na character adịghị, masị na nwaanyị a bụ ex-police. Ex-police ka ọ bụ, yes, ọ rụọla akpụrụka. Is an ex-police.
No, oyikwere ya nna ikwukwe oyikwere.
And ele ya anya kịta ụnụ gwawara ya okwu ma mgbe ọ na-abụ m na-ele ya dị m ka nwoke nwaanyị. Ịghọtago, abụ m nwoke ka abụ m nwaanyị. Tomboy. So m jele machicha ya anya ma bịa afụ na o yiri eyi ha. You understand? So he was an ex-police officer. Ya ndị a na-anọ na checkpoint, ndị aka azụ.
I work with visitor neighbor Beacon and my brother, please can you follow the link and come? Let us have conversation. I'll see.
Okay.
Like link, my brother. Come, I have a question for you, DOS member. You people should shut up. Someone is a criminal group.
Their arguments goes nowhere. They should be ashamed to even say this.
I just want us to be calm. I just pray, my brother. You know, I call you my brother now. Just come, follow the link and come. I have a few questions for you, and actually I want people like you to answer that. Okay. Despite all our differences, follow the link and come here. Let us have conversation. I'm not gonna insult you. If you can, DOS and fall back. One of my number one prayer this week is to have at least one or two people from you guys.
Exactly.
Let's continue.
Exactly.
Continue,
exactly. How do you feel, this DOS person? How do you feel that what Mazi Simon Ekpa told you how many years ago? What he told you so many years ago. They are not here and these people. Otherwise, they shouldn't be saying this thing. What you fought Mazi Simon Ekpa about.
They are saying it to shut you up. They are saying it to pass their evil narrative. They were saying it like, when we have not wisen up, we don't know much. Yeah, whatever they say goes. But now we have wisen up and we analyze things, we look at things critically. That's why they cannot have their way. You get it?
My dear, I pity those of them that are still supporting them, protecting them. Failures. And they protect failure. And they protect failure. And I support failure.
But
what can they boast today? No here DOS since 2021 up to date. So why should they continue there?
I like what is happening because you see the way they are fizzling out. For this woman that came out here feeling that he can make a name or make a wave, he should go and ask others who came out where they are. You understand? So when they come out, ime onwe ha yeye, enyere ha aka mefa yeye. You understand? Because this propaganda they are now bringing out on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and this man here, John PBS, you asked us to shut up, Simon Ekperima. Do you know that name, that Ekperima? Have you gone to check what Ekperima is? Simon ended up and over we do now. And this Ekperima, we adopted that name. Go and ask question. I doro this name. This name, I'm more $2,000. This name. If you don't know, go and ask. You understand?
Forget about the lazy people who cannot
even. River Goddess. This woman, she go from the look of video mere last, the program she did last. The woman because she have seen it that this is not what she can carry. No, Otoruya. She came out before. She don't know that there are so many, even Achalugo alone self. I'm telling you.
No, Achalugo kana heal go from Miss Target, Miss Fire. So go with it
exactly. Because Icheke here gwara gị, this woman na pineapple head obidogo sound wa like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu criminal na ọ ga-agba ya ụkwụ. Just the same way Adochula Suba sounds. The woman is
na Mazi wepụta 100 men
na ọ ga-agba ya ụkwụ.
Na ya ga-agba ya ụkwụ wepụta onwe ya. Notorious painter.
So ọbata ihe ọ na-achọ ịkọwa na ọ bata going to IPOB fully. Ya gakwa ga-aṅụ otu.
John ha na-achị ma ya ṅụhụ otu nne ya.
John ebugo otu wee narị ya ka o ji akwụgharị ebe a.
Madam Origin say we have sold our sleep. I never want to be on this. How I came on this, I don't know. But for the fact that I am out, I will be out till the end. You understand? As long as Onoka Astati say Okwanya Funa ihu ya drop ona. He has a tape, she has a tapered jaw. Ihu ya drop ona. Gini meri ihu ya jiwe drop. Something visited him. Ya je Shetima. ndị gbara Maazị Simon Ekpam Nnamdi Kanu ya ji ejuo Omotosho ya ji ejuo Sagari ya ji ejuo Tinubu. Go and ask questions. Ijuchazia bịa mara ma gụnwa bụ oboro my 10 finger and my 10 toes. Ọsị nwaanyị nwaanyị na-ehu ehu anyụ mamịrị. Ọ bụzi agụnwa bụ nwaanyị na-ehu ehu anyụ mamịrị pụta sị na ọgụnwa ga-ata akwụchara Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'isi. My dear, amaghị m onye duputere gị this journey. I don't know. They don't love you at all. They don't love you. Even notorious painter self, ike agwụgie. Notorious painter every day saying, I'm tired. You gave me here notorious painter mere. You can't do it. You can't even do 1 quarter. Kereba who there? Now we day here. Okay? My dear. Triple M, who is there?
All right. Ụmụada ya asị m ka anyị na-ege n'ụlọ ihe nke a ihe a karịa ọkọtọ akarịa maka na ikwikwii si n'anya dụrụ ya dị ọ mara ebe ọ ga-edome ya atụkwasị ya na-ekwutekwa isi ya bidodoro mmadụ niile maazị Kai ekene m gị Ocean Master nọ na on a silent mode like me. Asatina my sister Kelepam gị River Goddess Omaka mere gị Madam Origin Ofu Original bido dịrị gị nwaanyị ọma maka mekwarụ gị o nwere ihe mere m ji wee gbagote ebe you know, whenever we say or whenever we try, my people at the comment section, please pardon my manners. I'll call you over. Amaka may rise because I appreciate each and every one of you. You know, on daily basis, whenever we come online, we keep reminding those that call themselves Zujiria's representative in our midst. We keep reminding them that Biafra has been redeclared. Even when we drag it down to their throat, they say they don't know. It is all lies. Let's use this woman now that claimed to know nothing. Remember, when she started newly, you see her pretending as if she doesn't know anything like IPOB, but look at what is happening today. They are now coaching her, telling her a lot of things. This woman finally came out to say, to claim that name, Madam Ishipong. So she really knew that we have nicknamed her Madam Ishipong. All of a sudden, yeah, mata no nyangwa ka na-akpọ. Now, as if it's not enough. Otikwele ya mma, obutukwele ya the more. Obutri ya kanji we bata. Ema ka enyo ya ishi pineapple. Ye oya obutuzie ya. So, when you look at all this scenario, you will understand that these people already knew what we are doing, but they are playing devil advocate. They pretend as if they don't know. They are fighting against what we are doing in favor of the zoo, using that same freedom we are fighting as if they are supporting the freedom. But how can you tell me that we are fighting a particular cause? In your midst, a particular group, we are able to get that same thing you are looking for. You turn around to say, no, that one is not the one you are looking for. That we are deceivers. We don't want this. It baffles me. Even I was shocked when the so-called Benjamin Unoshi, during the court of our leader Mazen Nankara, I think that was in 2000 and last 2 years, if I'm not mistaken, last 2 years, 2023 or 2023, yeah, 2023. After court, we are interviewing Emmanuel Kano. On the background, Benjamin was there, vibrating like I passed my neighbor generator. They were like, as a kind of, telling him to calm down, that this guy is on this thing. He was vibrating. Why? Why should Simon Ekpa go and create a government in SI? Do we tell him we want government in SI? Do we tell him we want government in SI? We don't want government in SI. Why would he go and create government in SI? I was like seriously? These are the people that call themselves freedom fighter. Anyway, our brother Akonye would have said it all. Say, define the freedom for yourself. Because so many of our people, they saw crowd and saw money. They never saw freedom. They want to place this particular movement on equilibrium, whereby they will be cashing out. Years back, some years back, is it not somewhere they ask, what do you want? Now, as it stands, now you people are looking for freedom. What exactly do you want for Nigeria to do for you? He told them that they should bring the price of cement to enable them be building their project, their hotels, and the freedom fighters. Thank God for the coming of our PM and also our DPM. The final bus stop of it is our redeclaration, minus that day, minus that 29th of November 2024. We won't be here today now talking about this thing. All these criminals now must have gone to bed. Even our PM have already sent them packing. All of them, they have gone mute. What brought them out now is this issue of our PM because he was sentenced. Then they now used some of their agents and even those people in Briggy preaching down that period. I still see the one that calls himself Emeka Gift, the criminal Emeka Gift, still posting today because he made mouth. He said, don't go to Rabeze. He said, Ngozo Rabeze will not go to Finland. Once he go to Finland, he should be arrested. And if he even make a vow that if Ngozo Rabeze get to Finland and come back to America, he will stop posting. In fact, he will go out of social media.
Yes. Even 70,000 teeth. They were all threatening everybody.
You know the card they are playing. That is the zoo card. You know to put fear in the minds of our people, which they succeeded though. Honestly speaking, they succeeded though. I hear people saying, what is our DPM want to do at the Finland? Well, why did she go before the time? Everybody were waiting. He went there. That was why he was the one that plot against our PM. These are non-entities. If not for the step our DPM took, went there and make that brokers he made that gingered everybody. One day, also nobody would have been there. They would have scared us. Van, which is the Eggman. That one, only a himri, only a bucket, only a one kata. He came out to tell us they have a plan B. Remember, these guys, when they say our DPM said releasing Mazin and the Kano, they will use him to stop our freedom. That's why she did that on the 29th. Not only that, because they are this thing. Van have already said it. Because he is the one they want to use to cause catastrophe that moment, on that second. He have even said it on his platform. He said, that evil woman went and declared on the 29th of November that he nearly go and stop it. It was some people that told him not to go. He nearly go and stop it. So to tell you, he is the one that's been assigned to use and do that evil act. Now, aside that, he is the one who prestige mayor. He also came out to tell us the plan B. The plan A was them to, once it was on that, once the 2nd of December approaches, on that event, any act of redeclaration, he will be the one that will start causing problem, and the security of Finland will invade. They have a special security. It's not even those ones that is guiding our DPM. They have a special security. Even that special security is higher than the one that is protecting our DPM, which that one that is protecting her will not even stop those people to do their job. So when they failed on that particular act, that was what resulted plan B. The plan B is what? Is to come back and discredit that particular freedom. But they were now looking for an avenue to jump in. They now found a safe haven when our DPM issue a press statement saying that week fundraising is cancelled because people that attended the event, most of them are still on the way. So let's use that particular first the Saturday, the first Saturday of December as a kind of free day for everybody. Let's go and relax. Then upper week will start. They now grab it and use it to start the issue. It doesn't end there. After they raise that dust, many people were like, okay, let's see if, since they say don't stop, no stop, do or no do. Let's see how it's gonna be in the next Saturday. The next Saturday, they never came. They maintained their move. Okay, business here. What do you have today? All the things they managed to hijack and run away with it. The same way Tinubu grab, snatch, and run away and ran out of ideas and out of a way forward. He doesn't even know. Over here, one day he's on a school. Onye na-ama ha akwụkwọ anaghị ebu expo. Onye na-ama ha akwụkwọ anaghị ebu expo. They hijacked everything.
My brother. I got your name.
Onye na-ama ha akwụkwọ ịma expo iweta enye gị question ego question ịmara na ọwụ na gị nwa akwụkwọ iguru akwụkwọ ahụ ọwụ na ikramchaghị ya ịmara na ebe data nọ inweke gị nwe ike wetakwa gị shaya gị hụ ya gị cheta ya mechie akwụkwọ buru akwụkwọ ahụ iji na-ede ihe ahụ bi onye even hapụrụ ya hall bi onye ahụ na-ama ha akwụkwọ nwanne ọmadị ihe even ọmadị ebe ọ ga-ebido. That is exactly what happened to them. They resulted in grabbing everything. They hijack. Upon all their hijacks, they came out to cancel our production of our ID card, that it has been compromised. When they see that, what happened? They hijack websites. That their website now everything concerning USB, everything concerning our DPM. How man I nga ha niile ha chakwa agaga medating
program a na-eme.
O tipịa n'onwe ya mgbe ọ bịara wenu prime minister.
Go somewhat to this evening. On here.
Listen.
On here, come on, Ibana before agitation end you go. And Otan came to US end after the PM. Even the US they may bought this one to agitate against someone. So someone they turned him as the Biafra. He become Biafra to them. So now that PM is not here, they don't have another thing to do. Some of them are here in the comment section. You can see this not here never another Steve. Steve, comment here. Your first comment, Steve, is that na get both 3 minutes. Then after he put that one, he told us that just look at just look at what a full-grown man are here talking rubbish. Then Thomas again see that my Biafra bossy no boyfriend no forger. The same one they are talking about the Ngozi is fighting Simon. If on
Sky, don't worry. This person who here. Also, full grown man is here talking rubbish. Full grown man like him, when you're free for not quite again.
Rubbish.
Hey, listen, let me. My brother, those people are Jew agent. Don't mind them. Anybody that talk rubbish on lay all on the Yoruba rule. They don't want us. They don't want to go, and they don't want us to go. What is their problem?
I say.
That is it. That is it. Now let me before I round up. Ogen Kere the able not tip you after na end of the road, there won't make the jack and measure with prime minister. It more feeling or influence like people just our lead our PM go grana front to they confused in the brain hanana not the active in calculation jisonoya. Madam Bobby baby at was when I was a prime minister.
Our room is so limited.
So that is why his own career end. Then let me use this Madam Ishi Pineapple. Madam Origin saw Madam Pinto. Madam Pinto, when I heard that from her, also handle you saw Madam Pinto. Pinto related to Tomboyo. The one no we hear mistake this woman merewo ọrụ ha nyere ya oju hajuzi o mehe research. I thought that organize research naga. Why you jigaga made only research ebe o medro obere na maka Mandela research ogula. I teach him by now gana emekwe the more naga the more. Then ejidezi also ejideziri Mandela no lende mezie no movement. When they are kidnap or lead them as
I will bring you up. Just hold on.
When they kidnap or lead them as Nandekano, what the DOS did on our refer back to the NCNC Mandela, the role ha played and the role Mandela played. What was the role of DOS and the so-called Nandekano played? And some people today, can you see that woman? I don't give her any iota of respect because she's not worthy to be a woman. Is a disgrace to womanhood. That girl, that lady, she's a disgrace to a womanhood. At this point, I wouldn't want to go more further. Thank you so much, my brother Kai. Thank you so much. Come one day, bata.
Banana, some of them are not for corner. Master Greg, you're welcome.
Yes.
You're welcome. Good evening.
Good morning. And good afternoon. Depending on your time. It's Sunday morning. Yeah, my greetings to all Biafrans. Onye ọ na-ebe onye na-anọ na-adịkwara ya mma.
Yes, sir.
Ele na aka m ịbata so o were mee soro mchi ya n'isi nwaanyị abụọ. Mana achị m ama m wee chi ya ọchị a na background so na-achị na-amụ na ịma na oge enwere oge a na-agba ọsọ mmọnwụ. So oge ahụ na-agba ọsọ mmọnwụ furu one masquerade wee jikwasịa. So onye otu ya wee tipụ ezigbo ya o wee gwa onye ngosi ya ya chekikwe cheki ya nwaanyị isi ekwe chekikwe cheki wee ejewukwa oyi maka na that day when mbọsị ha chọrọ ịma aka ka gbajie aka. So wee na-agwa na ya chekikwe ma ejewukwa oyi because na ihe ọhụrụ na oyi karịrị akarị. So this woman has supposed to be where they actually quit check. But man, you do where go you. Makana, if it's around about to you, back on them. Come on, you do the human any for any reason at all. He may human. The only thing not there about that now. It's a pity now, not a police, and no wonder she can take up this kind of job. No wonder, and I believe it's 100% the former police woman, because the woman about that, when you want a mother go clean book, that come. I pity okay, the man, that is the man on fire, because a woman name was shame, the woman name one single shame. Onwe one single honest non a complete police character. Always we are turning upside down. This is in fact, my sister wanted this information. Your information was completely accurate. This woman is a pure police character. Office, you have user. What we change topic. Every of your statement turning upside down. We money good job, you will be on this woman. But shame, a man don't meet it. So I can be the she's not going down. Only when that this woman is going to lie. It's a pure police woman. She will still come out and she will not go down like that. So why am I saying this? Is because if I did your phone, also her own lawyer, give her all fake information. But this woman, don't believe that this woman is not aware of anything. I believe this woman is aware of every information from the one with her character. So, but omit another career. If I know the day this my sisters will go to her platform, honestly, I wish I would be among the people who will visit that her platform the day I get there. Because this kind of woman supposed to in your heat with facts. Yeah, with fact to present to the public and to those people, governors and different and viewers that she's working for. But thank this to God that the Biafrans is more clever, more aware. Not that we are clever, but I believe that the view that goes facts is the one that is clever, not the one that is lying. No. When you're not passing out the clever, we need the clever somebody who knows the truth and says the truth. And that is what the United States of Biafra is doing. They don't go and lie against anybody. They will state the facts and ask you to follow the facts. It's only those who refused to do so up and down. She's working for the wife of Mazin. This woman, can someone ask this woman for me? In as much I know this kind of woman, she don't have respect for the wife, for the husband. I know that this woman will not listen to the husband. But will she accept this kind of character? That somebody who paid the price, bride price on your head, and you come out and you're working with somebody who is against that man, even to the point of death, wishing him to die, and you keep quiet as a wife. Not just a wife that has a son with this particular man. It can go around this to the best media man for you. Come out in the whole world. One Nigerian government that they're supposed to judge, the judge is supposed to give judgment against Martin Nanakano, to give him a capital punishment, to hang him before the whole public. And you as a wife keep quiet. He said they should hang him or they should give him 99 years imprisonment. That is, although want it to come out again in life. And this woman called herself Uchechi. Motara Nnamdi Kanu. A man in the same roof, sleep in the same bed. Somebody you call a warrior, your media warrior come out and say they should kill that man. And you had it and you keep quiet. And he's still fighting that man, working with the people who say if Nigeria forgive Ghanaian government forgive him and bring him out, they will go extra to make sure that they shoot him. And this woman keep quiet. God forbid. That kind of woman, any family that she come out from, is a curse. That family is a shame. That family is a disgrace. That family is not worthy for any person to enter. It's not even to come out of one way and caution that man. Say, stop attacking my husband or demanding from his death. He have not done anything wrong. She swallowed it, making the whole public know that the Ken is working for her. And this issue, how this woman neck is working for you, Uchechi, as well. But the land of Biafra will chase you and lock you again and lock up against you. The land will lock against you that you will not enter that Biafra. It's not just in the family of Kanu, but Allah Biafra will continue those. That is my only wish for you. This is midnight. Just think about it and know if the Biafra land will open gate for you to come in, or the family of Kanu will open gate for you to come in. It is not possible. Thank you, Kanu. Thank you, my brother.
God bless you. God bless you, Master Greg. Thank you so much, Ibanana. The issue of the woman, I think one of the reasons why this is my own. I'm just guessing, okay. I felt like something like maybe they have some of her secrets. Okay, I think there's a secret that these people about her that they have against her, so that she can't do anything. Otherwise, they will rubbish her. I felt like that. Because remember, at the initial stage,
she cannot come out and say, stop that.
You cannot say that. She can't say that when Ike can know her in and out. So okay. What did Simon Biafran Prime Minister told her initial stage? Do not go there, because at the end they will rubbish you. Remember?
Of course.
That warning that she ignored when she claimed that she wanted to grant interview in Radio Biafra. That warning is what her silence is. Somebody's just like when somebody is holding somebody's nakedness, your picture and all that, and begin to demand some ransom. If she try it, she may not live to say anything. I'm just saying, because I have been thinking Within me, yes.
Anyway, something. A man, how can this woman know it's kind of Mazen Kano, our leader? Our normal to be with him when one time. It would be a different thing. How would that child grow? And then with a baby and there, no. And then waiting here, yeah, we go to history, go down now with the video and another all these things we still go as a history there. And that's how we do it. I'm finding that somebody is calling for the killing of his father when the mother is away. What will be the crime of Nnamdi Kanu that will make this woman to keep quiet? The highest thing maybe, let's say, assume that what they are saying about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that he is maybe he sleep with another woman or he not sleep with another woman. Let's assume that she sleep with another woman.
I understand what you're saying, but what if they know her extramarital affair? I'm just saying the example. What if they know about her extramarital affair and they know about her? They have some pictures, some video evidence. They know, that kind of thing. They know her.
If they know it, even if she did not, if that woman, even if she don't react, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come out, and they see any little romance with that woman, with the Mazi Nnamdi, they will release that video. They will release that information to make sure that they destroy her. They will still destroy her.
If Mazi Nnamdi is out, it is different
it
than when. It is different than when. I'm not giving excuse for that. I'm not saying that what she's doing is good. I'm just trying to tell you that the warning that the Prime Minister gave to her, the mistake started from that point in time. And some of the conversation that maybe something that she have done, maybe you don't know, because like when I started to say that her father and something happened, about the connection between Asaredobo and her, and all that, and some rumor about other things which I cannot say here. People I don't have any verified information about her. What I'm saying is that some things that people are saying, what if those things let's say they are true, and these people like Ike Guruago have access to maybe video clip. Remember, Ike Ejiofor is a very good friend.
Yeah,
so
Maazika in there.
What about the
Mr. Don?
Somebody comment against Mazi, someone Punjab. His father made a comment when our PM was here. So why can't the father come, and if his daughter cannot come, why one of the family cannot come and caution those calling for the king of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Someone from the law family.
You see, Greg.
Just hold on. Let's hear from
Greg. After I meet you on the
here, please. The Don was here before now.
Yeah, after I meet you on the here, Greg. I don't know me who na bagasi. But the truth is this: that woman, Nnamdi Kanu and Nnamdi Kanu, they're no longer living together before Nnamdi Kanu was adopted. They have separated for some time before Nnamdi Kanu was adopted. So that's the reason why. And the whole thing shows that Nnamdi Kanu is no longer interested in that marriage anymore. So that is why all this is when I got in this form. Nnamdi Kanu will be able to woman no. That is why even since it's where you didn't Nnamdi Kanu, if not the woman go to visit Nnamdi Kanu, that woman never went.
In one of her videos, she claimed that she was there.
No, she haven't been there. Ofubehe Nnamdi Kanu anya since esi wee mee adopt. Ofubehe anya. You know, so Onyaha is no longer because Obuna Okabo Wunye Nnamdi Kanu, even since Nnamdi Kanu Sibu na Nga or na DSS custody. All supposed by then, all supposed in a special message or any. Mana sincere here, no Nnamdi Kanu anything no. As no message. He can't do that because all that now they are no longer together anymore. That's the truth. So the woman in her own authority, even ulo according to eyes witness and the kurekus ulo say for Nnamdi Kanu nwere na London akwore jeje gore another apartment another building. So just to show you people that they are no more living together. That wasn't a Nnamdi Kanu because Nnamdi Kanu, as far as he's concerned, that the marriage is over already. And another thing I want to say now is this: Kai, from fish or itigare kita na here. Amaghị m onye a na-afụ ebe a ọ nwaanyị ka ọ bụ ka ọ nwoke ka ọ bụ.
Ọ dị mkpa na
Ọ nwoke ka ọ bụ.
Nwaanyị na-aza dị mkpa.
No, I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm not joking. I just want to know. I'm no nwaanyị ka ọ nwoke ka ọ bụ.
Okay, man, are you serious? Wow.
I'm no nwaanyị na nwoke.
Okay. Lola Nneka Chimezie.
Oh, nwaanyị ka ọ bụ.
Ife ekunu, ife na-abịa na account na nwaanyị na-agụ
ọnụ. Nwaanyị dị ihe a. Na ụmụ nwoke na-alụkwụ ihe jọrọ njọ. Ke ka nwoke esi wepụta ego wee lụọ ụdị ihe dị tasị na nwaanyị. Onye abụ nwoke ka ya na-awụ bini.
My brother.
Mba, onye abụ.
Ị chọrọ ịnụ voice aka mgbakọ ma nwaanyị.
Tigago dị because I anọkọtara na asị ihe nji webata
so many things. Nna ahụbeghị m freedom fighting group. Onye isi enwere ihe ọnwụ na ọkịta na asị na Chike Dozem nwere group nke ọ dị iche. For 15 years, close to 15 years, these people were loyal to you. IPOP would the only group. Kemgbe eji video na-achale anya pụtabeghị mbụ na Maazị Maazị they were loyal to effort.
My brother, ị na-ajụ ọ dị mkpa nwaanyị ka ọ bụ ịghọtago. Were uche gbakọzi ya.
Nna ịmakwa na ụmụ nwoke na-alụkwụ nnọọ nsị.
Maazị Don, mama m na ebe a kedu nwaanyị dị ihe nke a ọ nwaanyị bụ ihe a na onye nke a ihe edo ka ọchịchị ọkwanye aka
a mekwuru nkụja nnọọ ka mara nnọọ onye nwaanyị ka ọ dị ka nwoke.
Ebere isi and number one bụ na nwere oyipụ akwa oyipụkwu akwa
mama isi na gịnị mere isi na onye a dị ka gịnị isi na ọ jọrọ njọ kedu ihe
ọ jọrọ njọ ọ dewere ihu ka ọchịchị
oge na ọ dịrị ka ọchịchị na ọchịchị ka ọ hụrụ.
Onye a na-agwụ dị ya nwaanyị dị 89 years my mother ọ na-apụta ụzọ ọfụma ka eti ka o si bụza na nwaanyị a dowere ihu ka ọchịchịrị. Don ọgwụwa mere m ji bata ihe anụwa o nwere ajụjụ ị jụrụ ebe a ị na-ajụ kelee nna mgbe sọrọ ị na-ajụ ka anyị nwanne m weche ka m gbapụtara ya. Don ị jụrụ nna ajụjụ a ka gasị na o nwere ihe ị chọrọ ịjụpụta ị na-achị isi for real nwoke ka nwaanyị Kraịst gị ọ na-efuru ha nwaanyị a bifo esi mba na ifuru ịdị njọ isi na-efute iwe
because atọrọ ka kọwara m onye ọ bụ. Kọwara m onye ọ bụ. Ebe isi agbọ ncha si wee pụta na anansụ na n'ọnya akụzisiri ha otu esi eme operate social media.
Maazị Don, m dị happy na ọ ga-ejụrụ ajụjụ a and ịbụ nwoke nke a tọrọ m nnọọ iche isi nwaanyị a na nwoke oyedorukwe n'elu bed ọkwa ihe m kwuru ekwuru m ihe nke a sị ọ bụ iron to iron or body to body ka alignment to alignment
ego ka ewepụrụ nwoke ma wee jee lụrụ ụdị ha ọ ego ka ewepụrụ ya.
Maazị Don chọọ ka m saa gị ajụjụ a
onye ya zawụzọ ọ bụrụ na ọka ya aza ya zaa
ka m zaa na nnu gị ọ m zaa gị Maazị Don
ngwere Goddess ngwa gabara ihu nwaanyị ọma.
Mgbe nwaanyị a na-eto nwaanyị a ihe anyị na-akpọ ọkpọkwu ya ọkpọkwu a na-agwa gị adị njọ n'ụlọ adị njọ n'ego o nwee mkpụrụ osisi na be anyị na-akpọ ụkpọtụlụ jọchalụ njọ ị na-aghọta. So when she was growing up o wee tọzie n'aka nna nwoke abịarịa di nwaanyị abịarịa di at a point o wee bulu oloma wee jebezie na garaji wee je tụọ mgbele oloma na mgbele granọt wee tụgidezie mgbele ahụ onwezi then nwoke anụnwa bịa kurie kịta ọ from ife ọ gbata na mgbele ka o ji jee nụọ the man
ntụta ka ọ tụtara
ya then abịazie beziere the man ego ịghọtago ihe ha ji wee mee ha si biko duru nnọọ mkpọmkpọ ite a biko dufuru ya anya ebe a mba iche na ọsọsọ ha nwa maka esi ebu propaganda another person don't know kịta lachakwa ha anya de ewee bee the lady ego even otu a na-eme omenala ịmagasị gị pata aka ewu gị pata even ha si nwoke ọbụgodoro ụkwụ ngwere ya eweta na ya duru na ba ị na-agọta o wee buru ọ ya nwa na-anụzi the man and since the man kotekwenye the man nọ na nsogbu the man ahụ ekwu okwu the man ahụ nweghị otu ọbụla ọ dị anyị mere o ji ghara the man jewe Abuja ama m n'ukwu bego ma ewere nke m agba ofosa ama m n'ukwu bego kpamkpam o wee kopụzie na chain mụ na nwoke I can't do this with you, let me go to Abuja and go handle the cucumber and the banana, that's where the money is coming. Onye ochu ọkwichọ ka ịgba propaganda come out na we dey for you.
Mba Udonya ọ na-ekwu America ịma na Konjiji egbu ya for 10 years ọha mmadụ ahụ tụpụrụ ya ọnụ.
Maazị nke a nọ lenarị ka o nwee ihe anyị na-akpọ ndị a bụ akata ụdị ndị
akata sef ka onye nke a bụda sef na for 10 years Konjiji egbu ya onweghị onye o ji eme onweghị onye o ji akwụ
ụdị nke ọha nwakwa ịpụ ọ na-emepere na adịghị akwụkwọ n'oji ata Ipunu gị ebe ọ na ifukwa ihe ọnụ osi ata dị chekwa ọ bụkwa na program
akwara m ihe ebe ọ na-ata dị gọbọ mana nwaanyị a ọ jọrọ njọ ịsa
ọ na-ata dị chekwa ma na onye a bụ akwụna ike ọ da-ata dị aka ọ na-ata ya ebe a nụnwe ma na ụdị a nwoke nwee dịdị ike in short asị m nọọ ya dịba ya deba ife onye
amara m na-eme ife a na-akpọ nya amara m na-eme ife a na-akpọ onwe ihe ụmụ nwoke na-akpọ ịda ada nkwụ na onwe ka nwoke ya alụ
ada nkwụ ọdakwanye ọ bụ n'ife ebichatara nọ o jiri anya
ọ dasịzi ada nkwụ a chifuo iwe a na-ewu ya maka enyere abụrọ iwe then o nwere because of egwu ego o nwere mmọnwụ a na-akpọ atụmma ahụ mmụọ dị mma ọ na-akọrịta ọnụ na-agụ egwu ọ sị na asị na nwaanyị niile ya bụ nnuwe gị ise ekwe mkpụda asị na nwaanyị niile ya bụ akpa gị iri ọ na-awụva ncha niile ya bụ nnuwe gị ise ekwe mkpụda ọ bụrụ ọva ncha niile ya bụ nnuwe gị ise ekwe mkpụda bụrụ n'ikafa ndị ọgụwe gị ise mmanwụ olu eke mmaba ndị ọgụwe gị ịtọ mmanwụ olu onye eruru ndị oru ego nwacha mmanwụ olu ogene si duru na-aba mmanwụ olu maka ya na-eri juru afọ mmanwụ olu mba ụmasị emewu na-emewu mmanwụ olu so because of egwu ego anyị ji gụọ egwu a onye nke a bụ ogene si duru ya nabagodo anaba ka ọ rapụ ụtọ ndị be ha n'aka josi na-enye ka ọ na-eriju afọ ụlọkwa n'ebe a ka ama na ọpụgo na be ha ọhịa nwaanyị abụ
ị makwa na ọ bụrụ na ụdị nke a nọrọ na ya na be ịma na o nwekwudo nka ndị a na-achụkwu na aja come and take for free you understand and ndị nwunye di ya chekizie enu ụdị ebe nwaanyị a na ụdị ụwa nke anyị nọ chekizie n'ebe ụmụ nwaanyị na-anaghị akpatanwu ọnụ ha na ihe ebe ọ na-atụrụ ha ọdị ejide ha mmanya na you understand
nsị nwaanyị na-aga ọpụta ọsị na di ya
to be frank with you onye a abụghị nwaanyị onwedị ihe o ji gosiri na nwaanyị ka ọ bụ onwedị ihe o gosiri na nwaanyị ka ọ bụ
mana maazị Don ị na-enezi anya kịta anyị kọwali ọnụ ọmawa mma mgbe izizi ọ dị ka oke maybe you are not privileged to see her the first time ịghọtago ị na-ene anụ ya ihe m na-akpịa bụ ọnụ waida ọ na-ekwu okwu ọnụ ga aka nri ọ na-eshift oge aka ekpe ịbịa na-ewezie ya anya n'ọnụ dịka sesame ya this dọla ndị ọcha ji eme ihe na ụmụaka
oke kịta ka m na-erotere ise ọ nwaanyị a ka Kelenna na-akpọ ọnụ ezi ọ nwaanyị a
ọ dịka onye eze adịghị n'ọnụ ọ ya nwanụ imi ka nkotu ụtaba
iweziela otu ọnụ ya dị weziela ya mazala ka m adazi ya na ya adị ghọtago
ka nwoke na-echiri ntụfu ihe nke a ọnụ Chineke nna ihe a bụ iwere pilo enuchie ya iru ya di ya nwe ka o si mmanya n'ihe ọ pụta were pilo kwachie ya iru ghọtago onye asị bụ na oipuku akwa ọ dị ka adaka kedu ebe ya ebido like this thing you said, Ocean Master, in our property, and we one girl that was living in one of our property. Then, like this thing you said just reminded me of it. Alahaji jochalun jojo when my hebum podolo tumpom. So ana asị ake ka gị na nwoke a si eme ọsọ nwanne m ọ nọ ihe ikwuru kịta ọsọ kwa bịa iwere pilo wee mechie iru onye ikwu kịta loteno and na ya da like dị na ọjọọ ọsọ ọ bụrụ nwere ife achọ na ọjọọ ọsọ n'abalị agbanyụ ọkụ na ya da n'ihu iru a dị na
maka ụdị nwaanyị a megide ihe wee chọọ ịrapụ nsogbu dị ị na-enye ya anya ọ dị ka chimpanzee ọ bụrụ na ifu nwaanyị ebe ọkwụ ọtọ shepu onwero
asị m maazị ka ya chọta ebe ahụ o gboro akwa n'obi na mbụbọ ya ọ si ile m anya igbowe igbo ị ga-ịhụtasị anọ m n'ụlọ anọ m na mbụ anọ m n'ihu mbara eji ma ọ kpụ atụ n'ọnụ wee gbuo akwa n'obi
eche na o claim bụrụ na ya bụ madam isi punk ka ezi ihe meziri ọkpụziri dị punk akpụkọ gịnị
mba anyị ma na ọ bịara na-arịchanye ọgọdọ enu mmiri riri enyi ka ọgọdọ bịa ka mbekwu bịa leche mmiri riri enyi na-arịchanye ọgọdọ enu anyị wee ghaa ya akịrịkpata o wee shepu ya wee butunata isi mara ka isi edibu bifo anyị nwa buturu ya isi na-abịa abịa gwa Nnamdị Kanụ okwu ọ bụ nwa ọgbọgụ ara na-apụ
ọ ka ya apụta elu ya na ụmụ ya ga na-agbalị this time because ụmụ ya na-anụ ihe a na-agwụ ya
ọ ga-emegide osepụtesi ụmụaka ya.
The main thing bụ that she's nobody. Onye a bụ ebe gwanụ ka o si esi ka ebe o si wee nwachapụta.
Maazị Don, they are somebody all because of this. That was what gave them leverage because we overlooked them. They are ogodo n'ike. When they come out to be raw, we will come out to be rugged. You get me? Okwifulo jelubonu, nya as no jelubonu balaka. Ejiri onu, nya man kesa nya ya hejebonu. Thank you.
Yeah.
So that is it. You understand? I want to give us somebody to come and be faithful about Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ that they are not staying together. This, that. Yes, we know that right from time. From as of even all them have, their separation is as of 2019 to 2020.
Yeah, has separated enough for some time.
Even at that, even at that, you see, alụ ife ọjọọ anyị bụ ndị Igbo, anyị nwere culture, anyị nwere omenala, anyị nwere parents, anyị nwere history. Now this woman, ọ bụrụ na ya na onye ndu anọrọ,
I said that
she wouldn't have behaved in the manner that everything that is against onye ndu, everything that want to take out the life of
my point, she want to be a widow at all costs. And what is she keeping this man alive? She wants to be a widow to claim that name. Then maybe Obuna Maazị na Chineke well onofa or na benefit of a widow. Will this thing come out? Will you have known about this?
Nobody will know about that.
With love.
Yes.
With all the love, dear, I'm wherever on, but God said, God kept the man alive. Because
not even at that time, nobody will
yes, if I gonna be a widow, yeah, I am a man or young plan or young was so near, then that benefit from intended from A to Z, from the beginning of the beginning to the end of the beginning.
Yeah, the truth is that she's among the plants.
Yeah,
she's
among the plants. So that's the most important.
She is one of the arrowhead. She's one of the architects. It's not with her attitude, with what I've seen so far.
Up till today, Ocean Master, for the IPOB people that are wagging their mouth and their tail, bringing unnecessary propaganda about a man tozuru nwoke. Yeah, no, na nwaanyị one ụmụaka one ka o nwere ụmụ nwaanyị one ka o nwere nke ọzọ. They forgot that there are things some of us know. You understand? During this time, before Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ, I asked this question: is Uchechi or ya nwa deflower Uchechi? The question is no.
That is that.
And what they mean? Or ya nwa deflower ya? The question is no.
Yeah, exactly.
Or white in a this thing he thought we don't know.
Madam Goddess, it's not a guarantee.
That's what I am saying.
It's not a guarantee.
But then, Makandina, maybe because let me tell you, my dear brother, I'm a woman. It was what Uchechi dished out to DOS, to IPOB, to whatsoever. It was what he gave them. That's the card they are playing because she want to get on Mazen Namodekano.
Exactly.
And
That's
he
all.
had
That's what I'm
a
saying.
very dangerous escapade with Carol White. And Mazen did not know that Uchechi has something to do with Carol White. Imotu ona aba potasia biko imago like ima ihe fota nwanya na agota. And like maybe this is your friend as a man or something. You got to go.
Yeah. On dangerous.
Yeah, she's a good girl because you are married. You cannot marry. Oh, to we nulu this Delilah. We nu kwesizie onyendu didn't know. In Agata, that's why she has the effrontery to fly all the way from UK. You did not go to Sokoto. Then you now went to Carol White office and crossed your leg and we are doing interview. Madubugu will say that Onyendi told me I went to Onyendu. Onyendu spoke with me. I spoke with Onyendu. Onyendu Oluzekita Madubugu will say no, nothing like that happened. It was Chinasa Muru. You and I wouldn't have known what is happening. That the DOS now covered this Delilah that he has been going to see Onyendu Mbona na Kuje. There was a time, this woman thought we forgot, digging on Akuje prison or DSS. How come you were pregnant? That was about 2 years ago. Where is that pregnancy?
Then another thing is that we know that she later went to the hospital and pretended that she's sick. So
but then people that saw her, people that know her with the pregnant, and says then, below kedu mgbe wee jezie na nke Onyendu wee dina because he has not visited Onyendu. Onyendu opifọtara mmiri ndụ na mkpa feeding bottle. You understand? So the woman has a question. Where is that pregnancy? Where is that baby? You get me? So if name, okay, before nama if name, when this trouble or adeno emere obodo yibo, anakunye aibo mwanye, imagwa ebe anya kanun. Onyendu doesn't want any standard, doesn't want anything. This woman chupu die no. Nwoke mmadụ nọ ebe ọ na-ezo isi ebe ọ na-eze ndụ ya wee gbana na nke nwanne ya nwoke na Germany Kanu nta Kanu Ken ole nwanne gị
ebe a ka ọ nọ for long na ebe a ka o si safe wee jebe Kenya
ha merie plan kpakọtacha ihe niile nwoke mmadụ ga-anụ n'ụdị maybe ọkwa movement ọma that they have sold him out. You understand? Oh, Chineke bụ ife mele ebele maazi make it from that area. Obuna chukwe dobege muna gaya ma what is happening. Then this Carol White, double lion. This same Carol White, this man no kedi ifa na akbia echefugo mi that native doctor. You got to go. Then this same Carol White trapped Madubugu in his house, which Madubugu gave the whole testimony. Then Carol White now sit down and when we watch Carol White was having meeting with Ndidibia. He was the best man Bonka no was Soludoji. This boy named Bokite.
Okay, ọ na-asị na ya bụ lawyer ma sịrị ezigbo ya nwoke na-egbu oke ite ọ gbapụtagbughị ya from prison.
If you go how all these things, so iwe Carol White oge ọ nọ na-esi ọ nọ na-asị ya na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, that was through Uchechi. They now want to take a pan of fresh from Mazi Simon, but everything that has a beginning has an end. Mamuchechi na Mamuchechi. Then why is it the IPOB? They try to know everybody's surname. They try to know everybody's locality. Why haven't you people been calling Papa Uchechi? Because Papa Uchechi is the one behind all this thing that is happening. But you people, ona maha Papa Uchechi, you know mabo Kennedy Okukan. And when Asari Dokubo, then when Simon Ekpa was like, Ogoneme broadcast, and we're saying things at the last one. Do you people know Monagenaba? Amanuchechi went and collided with Asari Dokumbo. But when Simon was doing it, I said no Makob. Until Asari Dokumbo Biafota where say Uchechi and the family political solution. That was how it happened. Did you come to debunk it? Mwa tiri aka n'obi mwa bụ goddess ekwuru m sị asị nọ na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ojeche wee bata n'udo Chineke mee ebere. This woman cannot be lolo over me. Uchechi asị nọ ya nwa bụ first or second lady. Mba, not under my watch na mwa mba. Di emechegodu nnọọ chi na ọ ya anụ ya nnọọ ya nụrụ ya gawa nnọọ ya na ya na-abụ because nwaanyị a obi mmiri.
Ọ na-agwọ ka onye dị. Nne na nne ya na-agwọ ka onye.
O nwere ajụjụ nchọkwara ịjụ.
Ị bịakwa ị na-ajụ ajụjụ nke dị straight.
Ajụjụ niile na dị straight na nwoke na-eme mgbago.
Ebe ị na-echere okooko chimpanzee na-ajụ ma nwoke ma nwaanyị. Nwaanyị gburu ụlọmapa n'obi. Esi na ibutube.
Ajụjụ nchọrọ ịjụ na-abụ this Azaya Anyaogu a ka ebe ọ na-edeme eje eseme picture because achọkọtara this man another see him. Ka ebe ọ na-eje eseme picture ọ na-ade eseme because achọrọ m efu this man achọrọ m efu ya na face to face. Mmemme taatị ọkwefu this man.
One I will get free one day. No, if you're not back already.
Ima Azaya Anyaogu. One thing the people
that na Capitol Hill ka ebe ọ na-adị eseme this picture ọ na-eje eseme picture ọ na-ese.
N'ukwu flawa na nwanne m oje n'ukwu flawa ose.
Ka anyị si n'olu ụbọchị ka ọ na-eje eje.
Ana m na-wee free gate na Wednesday.
Ka ekekwa free gate kwa. Ije ebe ahụ ị ga-aba ebe ahụ tere given time na ị ga-aba ebe ahụ
Azaya Anyaogu gaa na one supermarket ya this African supermarket dị well known na Baltimore. Ije ebe ya ịga ebe ahụ weekend efe Azaya Anyaogu ebe ahụ ka a capture ya one day. Mgbe anyị nọ na nnọkọ otu ezinụlọ Azaya Anyaogu chọọ ịba mamịrị na pantị o yi jaketi jean ya dịka ndị si n'ụlọ nga wee fụta ọ nọ na supermarket na-achagharị anya ka onye oshi even mgbe ọ chọrọ ịba moto inweta ka Azaya Anyaogu achagharị anya emetere ya ebere. So mgbe anyị playri ya na ihe na ya da Azaya Anyaogu ka o mete ofu. You understand? So
ebe mụnwa nọ to Baltimore bụ almost 5 hours drive.
Okay. Ya nwa bụ ihe mere ndị be anyị anọghọ too much so and ịma na ebe Azaya Anyaogu nọ bụ ghetto. Ya ọ bụ na ịma Baltimore dịka Jagule ebe ahụ
ebe mgbuka a na-egbukasị ihe mgbuka a na-egbukasị ebe ahụ.
Thank you. Ọ ya mere mgbe ọbụla ịfụrụ anya Azaya Anyaogu ọ na-eme program na-ene ya anya under 1 second Azaya Anyaogu ekwebi anya ka efi ugboro 10 o dowezie imi ka imi ihe eji afụ ọja inezie ichi ya anya o nweghịzi anything adọzi there ofere anya gaa right ofere anya gaa left. You understand? Azaya Anyaogu n'ụjọ ọkwa sị na ọha anụ ntị.
Achọrọ m ịfụ that man bụ a na-abụ nje ihe dị mpụta ama afọ ya. Achọrọ m ịfụ that man face to face. Achọrọ m ihe nje eme that man and nje eme ihe the whole world je na eyi esepụta kevin eyi ese mụ na ya na-abụ ya eyi ese the video ana m achọ that man one to one.
The don ya eme n'ihe dị otu ahụ ị chọrọ ịbụ nwa nga ọkwa mana onye abụ nwa nga
onweghị two fighting na America enweghị ihe ọbụla polisi bụ ya two fighting ka ọ bụ nwe nothing onwe ihe ọbụla na-eme na
nnọọ ha fia nnọọ ka ọ parịchie n'ụwa ya ọ ka ga-echere ọdịnihu
How to fight when you have an enemy, when you have an enemy, ejegodi police and I have a job on when you have an enemy, how to fighting government.
Aza ya anya ike agwụgwọkwa na-aza ya anya ọgụ. So na akpara wee gbugokwe na-aza ya anya ọgụ. Yeah, aza ya anya ọgụ ike gwụkwa nne ya na ọ maazịkwanụ what to do. Even aza ya anya ọgụ chọọ ka ọ drop ọsọ na-asị ya keep going, don't stop. Yeah, keep going. You understand? So that is it. Mana one day,
That man fuck up.
Oh, yeah.
That Isaiah, go, all fuck up. All fuck up.
Oketego ego nke ihe oketego ego nke tie n'akpa. So
no problem. I na ejegodi. Ofubos na mmeje anya Obi-Wan okay. Okay, ọ gabara ịnarụ na.
Mba, ụla palia, ọ dịkwa na ya ụla ebulugie.
Okay.
Ọ nọ n'oche ụla.
Obi-Wan ka na-ewetakwa n'ife ọfụ so ịma na nwoke ọbụla na-eweta ife ọfụ ụla ga na-ebu gị mgbe ọbụla maka
I am listening to you people.
agwọ na ibu n'oyiri Obi-Wan na-ene ya
My brother is always alert and agile. He has answered. I am listening to you.
But it's a normal thing. Abụghị ihe ọjọọ ka ọ bụ mmadụ ịbata another room. It's not a bad thing. It's a normal thing.
Anyị champion ịghọtago ibe Chineke mee ka ọ wee na-adị mma so mana ịmago na enwezi ndị na-abụ Obi-Wan na mgbe ọ na-ala ka ya nọrọ ebe a wee na-aza anyị ịghọtago
Okay, ọ bụ na his style abi
Oche maazị Oche akpọnye mmadụ dị ka Golera ị ga-alarụ n'ụla
Chineke ede mba Chukwu na-asụ ede nọ kedu ezikwa ya na-ekwu igwe Chukwu na-asụ ede
ngwana Obi-Wan kwunanị ka anyị nụ emebe na ọka ji gị
But don't worry, Fiji. I was just listening to the conversation, and very much. I was waiting for my own time, so that's all. But anyway, greetings to each and every one of you.
Take over, my darling.
Mr. Kai.
Obi-Wan, you're welcome. Your voice is known that you are listening and you are listening well. You are listening very well. When you there, they can get a good and not people as it or Macana. We get elaboration there, but I'm not people.
Anyway, I salute each and every one of you, and Greg, Madam Origin, and my River Goddess, and every other person. The ones I remembered, the ones I did not remember. The comment section, and the ones in the studio. I salute all of you people. On my own opinion, Ometeria Chacha, she didn't play the role she was supposed to play, whether they are separated or not. After all, Winnie Mandela was separated from Mandela, and yet she continued the struggle. Obona Biafra, the ex-Winnie Mazin and the Kanumba, with accolade and Enyedia, she could have been the person that replaced Ojuku's wife. As of now, she could have been because now and at the same time, on his own way, because that they have separated. But anytime IPOB is doing something in the UK, she comes out and take the microphone and start presenting. So which means she's still trying to be in that place which she's not supposed to be. But even if she wanted to be there, I was expecting her to do what she was supposed to do. And that's where people got disappointed on her. So whether she likes it or not, no matter what problems they are having, she messed up. She really messed up big time. And you know what? Most of the time, I cannot imagine to admire the mind Mazen Nandekano were, an opportunist. He waited for the right time. Because for me, I don't really blame Wazirike on his own time. Because sometimes me cannot say yes, no ego. So many people were compromised. So many. And let me tell you, if Nandekano could have acted or started this thing within the time of Wazirike, his fate might still be the same. The reason why I say this, because Nnamdi Kanu bido boom when I think Nnamdi Kanu realized that the most important or powerful technique to win Nigeria is to educate the citizens of Nigeria, to teach them the history of who they are. And he always say, I learned from the past leaders. And that was the reason he decided to start teaching us. And we started learning. And don't hear me, Haji, find they are difficult now because whatever they are doing to Nnamdi Kanu now is what they did to Wazirike. Let me tell you, whatever that is keeping Nnamdi Kanu Nime is actually because now Obi go a lot of soldiers outside, which is me and you, that now when you come with lies around us, we will detect it. By far. This woman, Omanambo Inogide, because at some point I cannot imagine that people will just come out and tell me that no need demote to Martin Nandekano. You don't demote somebody to kunna call for something. And a different kind of riches. And when they chole the rich, and when they chole the successful, and when they chole the wealthy, and when they chole leave legacy. And the legacy is quite different from being wealthy or rich because you end up seeing somebody that left a legacy dying with one small hut or just a Peugeot car, 2 rooms and parlor. And at the end of the day, that house will turn into a museum where people come and like now you can go to Mandela's house, people go there and pay to go and check where that hero Ebobi or Mazi Nandekano signing. And that's why most of them around him did not actually understand where he was going to. But no preach, go here suppose he preach. In the majority of these people went into the struggle based on the condition I know now, following their fugal fees for how many people that is involved. Over 50, 70 million people are actually loyal to Nnamdi Kanu based on IPOB, and they go now Batania, Kelo physically. And another thing, another great thing that happened when I say Nnamdi Kanu took the opportunity is the internet, because without that, because that was the difference between time no Wazirike, na time time now and the time of Wazirike. Now we can actually understand what is going on. On the internet, how are you going to know that these so-called DOS people, most of them they are even sleeping in the car? How will you know that someone like Vam is the parking store guy? How would you know that Adade Ramma was a nursery school teacher? And when you hear these people's name, if you don't really know them, media, if you don't know them, when they are calling their name, Ichemon mother, Ichemon Niku mother, and Hanola abroad, nearly everybody. And that was why they have been succeeding in agitating the whole time. But because of awareness, most of our life changed because we were listening to Nnamdi Kanu. most of you here will testify that your awakeness started by listening to Mazen Nandekano's broadcast. Even now, when you come across and you see what is going on in Nigeria, you must observe why. Your life started changing, your life started having meaning. That's why sometimes when you see people making nasty statement on the comment section, as if na ndị na-abịa ebe a bịa ekwu okwu, people na-abịa ebe a encourage ndị mmadụ that they are wasting their time. When I see those kind of people, keep on talking and not doing anything. Keep as adayo madayo. We will fight as I get fight to 9 with ike. And you that because na movement I know ya ekele ọrụ eke. Mgbe ejere agha 1967 ọgwụ mmadụ niile mere agree that enwe cowards, enwe ndị before agha ebirogodi ejegode sabotage the whole thing. Ihe niile na-eme kịta, it happened because ọgwụ mmadụ niile ka ihe asị ka eje kurikọ enwenwe ike ikurikọ. There are cowards when they are ikwuta sị na nke a ebirogodi ifu the negative part of what will happen, not talking of the positive part of what you are trying to do. Otherwise, I admire Ojukwu at the end of the day pulling off that war, because no, this war that here, can we have when the mind man, the man who localize ball. But the difference of Nnamdi Kanu is that we were able to be where we are today, and we laugh at stupid people that comes thinking that they can confuse us because we have known better now, or because of the teachings of Nnamdi Kanu and the awareness of us being able to research within ourselves. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. The people that thought that DOS, because of the same mentality of the government of Nigeria, when you check the political space of Nigeria, all the same way Haja operate, all these people who cannot DOS and recycle themselves. That is the way they are still operating. When anything different. But the change happened when Nnamdi Kanu started speaking. It becomes so strange to them that does not understand where we are going, because they choose to remain in that office because now believe when time they cannot be accommodated in that office, because again they have no idea of what next to do. What you don't know is bigger than you. It becomes scary to them when they see Simon Ekpa. They see Simon Ekpa as a betrayer, a bit sabotage, because he's bringing a new dimension that they are not familiar with. Most of them decided to camouflage themselves to join, to have so that we can sabotage it from the inside, which you have seen how it all is playing out. The thing is all Simon Ekpa is that whenever you started, if you build your house in a solid foundation, and if you know exactly what you are doing, onye ọbụla nọ n'akụkụ amaghị ihe ọ ga-eme, so ọnụ ka ọ ga na-akọ. O nwere onye kwuru okwu ebe a si na nọọsụ onye ma akwụkwọ na-egbu ezigbo. Ịhapụrụ onye a hall nye ego dia textbook a, ọ maghị ebe ọ ga-achọta the answer. It's exactly what is going on with these people. If you leave them, they don't even know when to take the opportunity that comes to them. At this time, Iran is about to America is about to finish from Iran, and the next project might be Nigeria. And the southeastern region is the safest place. And America, before America be the jogo, and with approvals, because all taxpayers' money KJ jogo. But then we go a structure that can do the job for America without them stepping inside Biafra land. All we need is just a statement. is on a plan. And all of these guys, they refuse to actually observe this thing. They refuse to understand that that thing had a since for a long time. It is time. It is time for us to live like other people in other countries. It is time for us to regain our name back again. Yet they still use it to do saga. Adade Rama will come out and tell you how he loves Simon Eba, exposing herself. Before marrying a Ghana boy, a terrorist, stupid human being. Ugo 247 is able to call, I have evidence. You have evidence on what? Bring it out. You cannot bring it out. Show us the template. You don't have the template. Then what else? What is wrong with you? From is able to now to account or you maybe 100 men, maybe I account whatsoever. Nothing. Imo mmadụ abụ afọ more prime minister ebe a emezi anya na donate is because ego esigo from IPOB pụọ kịta anụ a ha believe na Simon Ekpa succeeded in creating another group ọ ya wee ikwu ha taa atụ ego. Each and every one of them started making opening for their offices because they need to upgrade n'obodo oyibo ebe ha nọ. Enweghị ihe ha na-arụ. They don't have a job. They got no job. Ha na-ama akị nri ha jee ebe ndị be anyị na-eri nri ha na-ama akị nri onye gote nri akụ ya n'aka nọrọ ala narị ofu okpoko na abụmọhịa ise tichaa ihe na gonye ofu bọtụl otu IPOB one family omunfo ajoso na-eche because now I see able-bodied men that call themselves coordinators of IPOB. We all took oath. Agbasịsịrị m ọkpa ụkwụ m take oath. And I was expecting some people that are supposed to know much more better than me because they supposed to know that our freedom. Oh, about the mother and they can't know their life. Is this what we're going to be doing?
So everyone eat a good oath.
Yes, now on our attack and video. But you have to understand the reason. You have to understand the reason why you joined this struggle. I think that Nnamdi Kanu preach. He preached to us. Ndị eziri ozi ma receive the ozi imirikiti ka akpọ mana one ka ahọta. You have to use your brain. Onye Igbo ka ewu. Mgbe a na-ekwu okwu ama anya nene ma anya alụrụ. So many people akpọrọ so many people into this game. So many people joined because of the virus eji wee to na Nigeria. So many criminal mentalities. So many of them on kwanta easy. It can also was ikeke adoere ego during his own time. When they teacher ego ma afa. So when this opportunity came up, they have that they can be able to sit down one place. Also, that they can be able to occupy this seat. Kama mwenye abakwa Canada hasi na obunu nkujo this guy ka itinyelu na ego ne di otu a. Nwanne, odago na agu ebe on who need that money. Owerego di o si ha yes na the Kanu je on 5 years or 10 years of takwa ebirokwa ebe akwụsị. Mana mgbe ọ na-egwute nye eze ọsọ si ya nwere that plan enwere ndị ọzọ ya achọkwazi ka etinye Nnamdi Kanu n'ime ka ọ ghara ịpụtazi apụta ka a nọkwa Ikenga uru agwụ onye mana ọ ya anọgide one day call shit like this. Ikenga forget godi ichere Ikenga uru agwụ onye ma na by one day now that guy ewe ọrụ o ji eri ji n'ọdụ. Mana ebe where all this thing is marvels me is the situation at hand, the reality on ground. Are you not seeing it? It's not like Nnamdi Kanu is preaching just to make his page grow or to make you to respect his family or to make you to see IPOB as whatever you want to see it. No, there is a threat. There is a real threat on ground that will affect your whole family, if I should say that, Obuna, all your family no on ground. And yet, you think, no, you really are negwegu. Even a comment section, in us, say, grown-up men are here making noise. I'm comfortable here talking about this thing is because that now it helps. It helps our. There are most of the things that we say here that they when the agent of the government that is listening because never and a good government will always want to apply most of the things because when kids data of the things that you feel like people want. Oh, government join my hand here, citizens who want. They employ people, they send people to go and ask questions and for them to get answers. That is how it happens. But Nnamdi Kanu did a very marvelous work. Very marvelous work. Now, before you know it now, our kids will start celebrating Heroes Day. Yeah, decades to come, centuries to come. That time, our country, with China, na Japan, na America. Then, ibata, ana-akuziri ụmụazị anyị na school how we fought for this land. I ebido ikuzi history, never exactly where we come from. Because of one man's preaching. And the mmadụ pụta onwere ọnụ o ji eri ji na ede na-asị na Nnamdi Kanu need step down ka onye ọzọ banye. Who is he that is worthy, if I may ask? Who is he that is worthy to occupy that space? Nnamdi Kanu eburugo obi anyị na onwego ihe the man mere ndị Igbo that na enweghị onye na guy since the creation of ndị Igbo enwebe mgbe ndị be anyị kpọchiri their shop for somebody. The only day, the only time even in America, I don't think Nigeria was ever around. The only time for such thing and an example of lockdown or during COVID. And it was because of life. Manandi Igbo, Eji Marasi Nandi Igbo like Lego, Nahana business and choose to lock their shop for one man. One man. Isi this lock shop na Easter maka na Jesus when ndị Igbo anyị eme mana emelie Nnamdi Kanu ọka dị ndụ emenye
not 1 month, not for 2 months, not for 1 year. And say that I know what that sit at home, not for 1 month.
I'm telling you, ndị Igbo melie one person a ga-emenwuru gị onye ka ewu. That is the fear when they hear that name. That is the fear. Ihe karịrị mmadụ onye ahụ na-atụ egwu. Attack is the best form of defense. That is why you see some of these people, people like Ijele, and I call bad about Nnamdi Kanu. And you look at these people, when you listen to them, because now the worst of the whole thing is that now the reality is not tallying with what you are spitting out from your mouth. Yeah, so a threat that is coming to me. In only and I cut somebody wag that now when you be a boogie manisi. In only an ancient your cousin or bro, a happy. That is why anybody that comes out and lie about this struggle, you take them immediately because we have started defining this struggle for ourselves. It's not like before. Ndị nke agbagha from DOS nọ na-eche ka Nnamdi Kanu pụta ka wee bido. Some of them don't know where we are now. Mana okwu na nnọbụna I was paying my dues. I don't know na na-ekwu okwu ndị DOS. I won't more DOS. I won't more IPOB member. DOS one day ahọ. Most of us buying autopilot that time. Every one of us from the movement whereby autopilot. Majority, mostly everybody. I think Sunday decided to stay back one day. Ndị kpọrọ onwe ha from ka ha na-akpọ ndị a coordinators na ndị otu ya na ndị PRO, all those ones na-anọ feeling na ego na-aga n'aka ha. All how choose not to move. Every other members decided to jump through because now when you preach the truth, people will follow you. The struggle is for movement. You cannot keep us down there. Na-eme expect ka every day ka ị na-asị ụmụ Chineke and so fucking what? What was the actually, you know? You need the agbara we are here everywhere you embarrass. You can't even hide the Harry passport. You can't even talk, say the proud everywhere. Just mention your name and ABC from this western part of Africa. And somehow. Odemma. Ghana president. Because Nigeria is just a disgraced giant in a country that has potential that could have been well, and in a nine for how they disgrace humanity. It's uncalled for. Come on, Ghana, now you make Nigeria get itself. Now go for the potential of what Nigeria has. Now Nigeria went here that it will affect Ghana, but now because Nigeria to get it better and this and that. Can hire in across. Can you remember Africa as a whole? No, the African Union had had. So what is their duty? African Union every day here, no European Union. No UN. Can you African Union name to the problem that is happening in Africa, Sudan, and all those places, non-Africa, with even Sahel time, Burkina Faso here. What is it? What was their mission? What is the plan of that committee? And in the OG for one day to wake up and ask themselves a question: why? Why is the motherland like this? Why is the motherland, whatever that built Europe, came from here? Why is the motherland keep depreciating every time? It's all about killing. Itete no tutu echikita mepe Facebook English Alahaji will come out and tell you Nigerians, another one have happened. Akonya itiebonisi. Hey, and now the next day also, hey, they attack barracks. All the SMG of Ebony, the Naramot car, they Suryoku, whoa, this and that. I'm telling you, our stupid governors will come and tell Igbo people, please, it's time for you to come and join Nigerian army so that we can be one and fight Otobobuchakwa and Janine. Now what for you? Now what for you? Or this aka just non somewhere that that we cannot common demonstration cannot even happen again. The moment you come out to demonstrate against the government, the next thing your life become at stake. The moment you speak about the bad thing that is going on the government, you are in trouble. They are trying to
the threat will come when you are planning to.
I'm telling you, they are planning to reintegrate 700 terrorists inside the society again. People that have killed people. The one I told you that one girl was confessing what they did to one family in Bahana Baby, your Baba and the other compound. Luandia, no Arnold Salana Note, Nadaini, Idini, Ebubepu, Han Chani Nasi. They were still sitting down in the dining within ni hasavo na table kana poko manisi ani ne plapo. And you go after onye nke nocha n'ofia mosquito tire orizuoza for one or two things. Governor has said when the choy put a banner leak go say hey yo but I say I'm gonna ebe for 6 months ka enye unu uniform enyecha uniform achokwara ha ego si ka integrate into society abanyekwa heje mark kwa mapụcha where else to attack again. Send the quarantine the next thing you kwa echi It has happened before. Is it not today? Didn't we hear that the repented Boko Haram one day hasn't it happened before? Oh, maybe go before. And yet you are putting them back to the society. So can they mean ha buru ha ka nwaanya ikpọrọ mbọsị anọ na-ebe akwa na nwa ya na-ebe akwa sisi na ọwụ na ọnwụọ nekwa nke nwa ụmụ nwaanyị niile luzucha nwa ha na-amị na with this na hapụtakwa ha afụ onye bucha their people. Kele agwa ndị Benue niile ndị nwatakịrị egburu mamụ ya gbuo villagers tụnye n'ime well si ha na-ese dị mmiri from ozu mmiri ha na-aṅụ ka ha na-ekuru from well atụbalụ ndị mmadụ nwụrụ anwụ tochara afọ. They fetch water from that well to drink. These are the people you reintegrate inside the society again. In a country that is labeled giant of Africa, with resources that can feed the whole Africa. A country that even before US coming to Africa, they have to take permission from Nigeria before. A country that nego hakabu pounds, ego be before. And today, people are dying. Even chicken, Nigeria Christmas. Because chichazi ka people. Alex si obodo oyibo si America wee bịa Nigeria they speak emotionally on what is going on in Nigeria and the killing, and the so-called citizens of Nigeria, what they have to say is that now the guy in our gaslight people, make some certain statement that can cause a problem. So all this so okay for so one side in appear side in cause oyaka. When cause of retaliate, that becomes that now and I gaslight. Yeah, so when the okay to die. And a man put out 1 million, there is no Tolisionia. Oh, goody doing but I told you done by John the Baptist. Eh? Oh, by Henry now Tolisionia, 1 million, no one 1 million is no, it you can not Tolisie. And the government is watching and listening. Now, release the names of terrorist sponsor IPOB indigenous. Afa so na afa so web afa ndị listing na sponsor terrorism. IPOB indigenous. I think indigenous was surname to the IPOB. It's one of the names there. Nobody can even protest. Nobody can even stand up and say, at least in Nigeria, no one had them myself. Now, by now, they could everywhere or release in the can. But that is not there. Know what to do. All they do is to focus on the fight between VDM and B-Lord. Ndị Fulani anazo onye ọwụna akwụ. O yerutesi onye ọwụna. No, saga whatsoever. All I'm just saying is anybody that decide to think or to say that Dr. Ngozi Orebeze in the United States of Biafra government is not doing it well. Bring out another one. Show us your capability. Because the reason ego the original deal age makia webatan this struggle. If you no USB, bring one if you okay. People will follow you immediately. Otherwise, if you are you are just talking to yourself. But Obama this time around, Mr. Kai, let me tell you, onye ọbụla ekweghị ekwe. Okay, for regime anọ na na. Ụbụrụ eji wee ke Nigeria abụghị ụbụrụ na operate now. Iruwe ni aka gị enu agụọ gị achara ugo a na-eme na onye ji ike tinye na ihe a na-akọ na because nke ikpeazụ a ọnụ nụrụ onye ọbụla n'okwu except me nọ n'eziokwu except ị naghị eme ihe ịnọ ha na the same frequency each and every one of us that needed freedom we are ọ na-adabara anyị achọghị ịma whether if you have committed whatever before so far that you come and start the n'anya fụ na a na-akwa moto ihu na ede akwachi ihe azụ ị naghị akwachi ya azụ inwe problem with us ịnidi a na-akwụ ya ihu isoro tinye aka na-akwụ ya ihu because at the end of the day anyị nche nne ya eso weliterela but anytime ị pụta instead of you to be contributing in all you won't be doing anything and you na-eme expect echi let me sit down with you and I now talk trash. I ain't gonna do that shit. That's one thing they promise some people. So onye ọbụla please na-agba mbọ on their own way. On their own way. Heroes Day is coming. That is an event that will end up becoming part of our culture. Because ya agwa ya nwa gị ya agwa ya nwa ya nwa gị ya agwa nwa ya nwa gị ya agwa nwa ya about na enwere ndị nwụrụ n'agha. Akọwaba akụkọ Biafra. When the time mgbe anyị ebiri ka akọ Biafra ndị nụrụ ya azụ wuru. And that is the time you will understand that na this last miracle Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu ibidi ifu ifufie. Ibidi ifu that thing when they tell you of children of Israel, ibidi understand the handiwork of God because ihe mere dowere anyị n'ebe anyị nọ is because we have seen the other side and the other part of life. You can only describe light if you have experienced darkness. We have experienced darkness. And when we see the light, we will recognize it. Pray for the government. Encourage them. No matter which way. I like Romonye instead of na akocha bankete. Instead of you to be discouraging the ones that are doing something, no matter how small, don't say anything. Happen dike they will fight on behalf of you. But encourage each and every one of us. As I come Kayari with everything we na-egwu especially in the comment section. No. Mr. Kai Wiki na-apụta here na ihe na-akụ by this time mana ọ ka nọ na-ejikwa nwa ya na-eme mgbọtọ ọ na-ejikwa ya kele nna ya nọkwa na-eme exodus ya na-eme and you will come here instead of you ọ bụgo nna ya na-emete ya for you to suggest another way that we can do it right ịnọrọ na-asị na ihe okenye niile nọ here akọ nonsense. Who are you? Ka gbasara gị. But if you can't fight for your life, I'm not you. I will fight for mine, no matter any way I can. At least I died with a purpose. But for you, you died with nothing because you're a coward. You can't even fight for yourself and for you to not to be a slave in your life. May God bless the United States of Biafra. Thank you.
And there, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, Banana. Ocean Master.
They will massacre. They will be one.
So he come on truly.
You really, I can't. You have done wonderful.
If I shall go to Mono, come so I can check yourself.
I come. I don't this time. Dude, at least massacre. Everybody go today. You have tried again, just like every other time. You got to go. I wish you need the keys to break it when we get. You know, refresh up. Like I thought all the time, recorded by your own time. God bless you and bless us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Not of more.
Okay, my people. Let us rest. We did not even play the video enough because people just troop in and we don't have chance to play it the way I wanted to play it, but we have spent 3 hours going to 4 hours, so and it's actually late hour. So
even when I na program ada gwa when you if court tinyekwa.
Or the or continue to go back for clinic.
Yes, now.
It might not wasn't tomorrow.
Yes, so I can make now. And tomorrow comes, then you add it up.
So thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Ocean. Thank you, everyone. River Goddess, Mr. Greg, and our own brother, the Don. Asatina, I remember you. Madam Origin, all of you, of course, Triple M. Am I missing anybody? I don't think so. So I have to appreciate all of you and all of you on the comment section. Margaret, you are missing today. I think I did not see anything. Which were you? I think he was here, if I'm not mistaken. And Amadichi Goze, our brother that joined us when we started. Ngozeka, our mommy. I greet all of you on the comment section. Stanley Flip, all of you, please accept my greetings and see you tomorrow. Before you go, make sure you like the video. So we have spent all the time that you spend here. Even our people could not get up to 100 likes. So this 3 hour, only 90 people. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. Oh, good. Normally, we're supposed to have at least 100 likes or one something after 3 hours. But these days, people will watch and ignore to like the video. Okay, no problem. Please make sure you like it in case if you're going to watch it later. God bless you and take care of yourself. Good morning, good evening, good night. Bye-bye.